it's a good time for...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, then anything really can go. So, we're in Germany for this one. Muslim woman drowns during exorcism ritual. Muslim woman drowns during exorcism ritual. But this is in Germany. A woman in Germany died after being forced to drink gallons of salt water as part of a ritual Muslim exorcism to cleanse her body of unclean spirits. The 37-year-old woman from Morocco vomited repeatedly during the hour-long ritual in her flat in Dusseldorf. But the local cleric, an illegal immigrant who had been called in by her husband to perform the exorcism, told her, "The evil spirit possessing you has to suffer." The woman eventually lost consciousness and her husband called an ambulance, but she was dead by the time paramedics arrived. Doctors said she had died as a result of drinking so much salt water, and both her husband and the cleric have been charged with manslaughter. The husband had told the cleric the woman was behaving strangely and may have been possessed. Honestly, what I tell her right now? Him them set out, say them I bet you them I blame the dopey, you know. I bet you them still I blame the dopey, say the so-called dopey kill the woman. Make the woman a drink gallons of salt water. You know how much sodium that? And probably the woman don't even want to do it, and them they tell her, you have to do it. That's why somehow with this Obia thing and all them something, you know. Me nah knock on a thing, on a believe in and whatever. Me just say, on a balance up the thing. Go to a doctor. Right? Now when I say doctor carry because we know sometimes I look obesity and all them things they help somebody, you understand? Sometimes I look a rubber. But when I swing from one extreme to the other and what, go to a doctor. I kill out the poor man right, you know, and set up in her, you know. Big Germany in a first world country and all them some so-called first world country and thing. And this man and send for this man and somebody say, "What man and all them thing." And thing and kill off the poor woman. We don't even never talk too much about that one, but we just want to know so them things are, it's not only Jamaica them things are going. You understand? And I guarantee if them did bring this woman to a doctor, she'd probably still be here right now. Right? And talking about that, we're going to touch the matter. And I remember that mix-up that we hear what there. I mean, I tell a girl for carry her go doctor. And I said them need for carry her go doctor. You remember that? And then I say, I will be here. And then I bring people to pray for her. I say, you know, so she dead. She dead. And we're going to talk to people about that today. But she passed away and thing. But anyway, there you have it, people. In a Germany, then claims that this 30 young woman, 37-year-old woman, says she have dopey in her. Then call somebody, say them out wash out the dopey out her. And you know, then say dopey afraid of salt for true. You know that? Yeah, no man, that they're Jamaica too, you know. Then say dopey afraid of salt for true. You know you want clot up a dopey, you just throw out some salt out there. You know a dopey and a farm fool around your yard and thing, you just salt out them clot and fix them business. And as that then claim a Jamaica. And that they claim at Jamaica right here. So this is a universal thing that in order to counter supernatural evil spirits, salt is one of the things them where you're supposed to clot them up with. So this a man I know, I say, well, if the dopey in her, just make you drink holy salt water, wash out the dopey. You understand? Kill the poor woman. But gallons of salt water, so the dopey try. Nothing but the woman must have some kind of mental disability or some onset or some, you know, some mental problems or something like that. Probably not a damn thing to the woman either, you know. Because, you know, then go on sometime and say, I'm going to kill off the poor woman. full up the woman of salt water. So Jamaicans, if anybody are telling about you must drink gallon of salt water for knock out a dopey, run them, what's it not? And do them come kill her off like and kill off the woman with the whole heap of salt water and murder the woman and all them things. Anyway, that was...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Well, it's all about religious mix-up, right? Ruth, call it, girl. We're not for the religious mix-up, but call it beat about the matter there. Here, call her to make a talk to her about it and so forth. Greetings, darling.
Good evening.
Yeah, man, good evening. How you do?
All right, rather, but I'm still a mourn.
You're still a mourn?
Yeah, because my cousin actually died.
Yes, man, we hear she dead and thing. And when she dead, how long now she dead?
She dead 10 days now, she dead.
Okay, we just want to remind people, this is the young lady who was talking to, who was telling about her cousin and thing, who did sick bad, and them, and you all believe that it's Obia did take upon her. I want to bring in some church people, come pray for her, and all them something that me that telling her, say, carry me, I try to convince her, carry her to go hospital, but yeah, say, she no want to go hospital because true she go to the hospital, them and go on a bag of generalship and thing, you know, when she...
She went to the hospital in Raga. The Wednesday night I will bring her to the hospital, and the doctor them couldn't find no complaint for her.
What you mean no?
And the Sunday she died.
No. What you mean no complaint?
Them take all sorts of tests, Raga, and they couldn't take nothing.
No, it's not complaint. You mean the doctor them couldn't find out what was actually wrong with her, but something did wrong with her. Okay. And the doctor them never know what wrong with her?
No, she don't live from the Wednesday.
Hold on. What the doctor them say to you? What the doctor them say to you?
Eh?
What the doctor them did say to you?
What the doctor say?
Yeah, what the doctor them did actually say to you?
Them just take test on her and them couldn't find nothing wrong with her, but them did want to take a CAT scan on her brain.
Yeah.
To find out if something did wrong with her. But the Sunday morning when them for do it, she dead because she go in a coma every minute. So that's why them couldn't get to take it.
So, all right, now that she passed away, what, amongst the people them around her, what want to think kill her? What want to believe kill her?
Obia Raga. Real Obia.
So right now, she dead on a convince it's just a strong Obia killer.
Yeah.
Even though I like church people and pray for her and all them something or whatever, you think
when them come,
it's
when them come and them pray for them say, we must carry her out because them couldn't manage.
I want to still believe she will be a killer.
Yeah, we still believe I will be a killer.
All right. But the next time somebody, when I say somebody under certain conditions, want to convince you will be, want to go and still bring that person to the doctor just to be sure, right?
No, we will cry them out.
You carry them out, go away?
Read that woman, Raga. But Raga, I don't want to talk up too much things on the matter. You're still in the car to get out of the spot. I live.
What you mean?
Get really out of
What get out of give me pinch me and tell me what get out of over there.
All right then.
Yeah.
The people them say them want to know who call Raga card. I shot the person.
Them say them want to know who call Raga card, them go shoot the person.
Yeah. But I want to tell them say the whole bit mix up me at but me never did that class her up. Nah, nothing. So them to get that straight.
Oh, Zane. Oh, them believe say you did that this, sir.
Yeah, that them believe.
No, man.
Never did I listen, yeah.
No. Anybody who have it so want to get it wrong. I never did share this. In fact, she was more concerned about her than anything else. You understand?
I want to tell them.
No, man. Hey. Whoever runs certain ends and whoever makes certain talk and whatever. Yeah, my man. She never dissed the girl. She never dissed her one bit. In fact, she was more concerned about her than anything else. And anybody going to the store that way there, them are going to the Met wrong. You understand?
And somebody call them and tell them, Raga, because them talk up the things them, you know.
I was who said them are going to shoot? You never really hear it. That people carry news, go tell them,
yeah,
don't?
Them carry the news.
I saw it always. I'm going to carry the news wrong.
Right.
And carry the news wrong.
Yeah.
But what me I say is, me still insist on it for you. She has an example and say, she drop out here now, she gone and thing. But when When somebody and that vibes on the convince you, Obia, you must still carry them go doctor just to make sure.
Yeah, man, now that's how we do that, and then say, we make sure that we should carry her out.
Then you should have carry her out?
Carry her go Obia, man.
Them say you should carry her go Obia, man?
Yeah, and here them no, them see one bag of ducky. When we are carry her go to the doctor, them see one bag of ducky. Line up behind her, some are run and they think. If them see that, why them never carry her go?
See it there?
It contradicts.
Very confusing.
It's contrary.
Yeah. Yes. Without a doubt.
I get that part here, but more want to talk about the mix-up after.
Yeah.
The person will get the body raga.
Yeah.
Say them will write a friend them name on parchment paper and write down a friend them name and put it in her mouth and her good up something.
Yeah.
So it cause eruption. So them name will go in her good up something and them will rotten.
Well on. So what you say is a big stink down upon the ends right now because you said the person who get the body said them are going to write fear friend them name on parchment paper and put the name them on parchment paper in her mouth and in her good up something. What is like is like another over them are send against them over the on the friend.
No, them are contradict we. They want it look like our family must say the things them when our friend them a say Raga.
Oh, so what them want? Them want done the friend them then?
Yeah.
So them are going to write them name on parchment paper, put it in her mouth and put it in her good up something.
Yeah, so we just end that and just take the body from her and send it go our next funeral home.
Okay, because you don't want nobody go and we not look a fandangle and Obi and I'll go write all your name on parchment paper and put it in her something.
Yeah, I don't want to go so far, Raga, because they can't find out the vice who I call. So I don't want nobody come shot me, Raga, and kill me off, let my pick me.
Okay, and I say a word, that's safety we say and protection, you see me?
Yeah.
All right, so
more you tell them, say, to come off a woman name straight up.
Come off a what?
The view people come off a woman name.
Come off a woman name.
Straight up and make you bury in a piece.
Oh, see, because them the on our case attack up the things them.
Yeah, every day is a different argument. Make the family them grief and vex. Yeah, every day one particular girl always a call and say, me hear this and me hear that, and our biggest friend, Raga.
And I fear our biggest friend?
Yeah, big friend.
All right, yeah, hear me?
And then see our family take it to another level. And of course the other family. The girl family were dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I know say after them cousin make everything get worse.
See it there. All right. But yeah,
I want to tell them about the Mixup in a Raga.
Yeah, rinse it up. I could hear that one.
Yeah, Raga, me was there with this man about 4 years ago, Raga.
Yeah.
He's bossy, but he's ugly like alligator.
Him bossy, but him ugly like alligator.
Yeah, Raga, he was ugly, bad.
But this was your man?
Yeah, he was my good up man. He was spend for me.
Him did spend for you, but him ugly bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have no use, Raga.
What you mean no use? He couldn't start out?
No, he couldn't start out.
Okay, go on. But he send on the money, though?
Yeah, when we are going to go shopping, Raga, him give me some pin to an anchor, me the rate him, Raga.
You see it?
Rate him straight up.
Yeah.
Was him alone, Raga.
Yeah.
Alone me the day we done a talk to. Rate him up.
Yeah.
Raga, the man take about 3 months to sort me out.
But him never moved to you. Him never did I rush the thing?
No, he never did a rush the thing.
Okay, so I'm wait 3
He
months.
just did a spend.
Just did I spend. See?
And the way me feel so good, Raga, I say, no man, me have to get that money or something for him. Him good spending way,
Yeah, him deserve a look of green light.
He deserve it, Raga.
Yeah.
When the time come, the man can move now, nothing, Raga.
Okay. What you mean? Nothing couldn't move?
Raga, him can't stand up.
All right, no, we're not stand up.
Him have to shake.
No, okay, no, give a detail. We understand. No look of movement. In other words, him did I ask you for?
Raga, no.
Him did I ask you for raise the dead?
Yeah, I couldn't raise it.
And you couldn't raise the dead, or?
No. So I decided to make a lesson.
Right.
And then I couldn't be able father.
Right.
So, what day about a year ago, last year Christmas,
Yeah.
I see him and him asked me to start my day. I tell me saying this, he was a swiper.
Okay, so back in that time when you had him a prime, never make you know same swipe.
No, it never tell me Raga.
Okay.
Never have the slightest idea.
Okay. So then, so you did give him a green light, you boss him?
The boss him Raga, I'm shame.
You shame?
Man, Raga, I feel worse.
Why? Him swipe can't work good in our machine?
Raga, him can't swipe.
So wait, the swipe can never work good in a cash machine.
No raga. Him not do nothing.
Careful, just when you talk about it, just keep talking about swipe can and cash machine here. Not about say.
Nah, go and go to Raga.
He never know the pin code. You know, say we have a mix-up. We are coming and start tomorrow. Same way about that thing. The same way about that. So wait, him never know the pin. Him never have a pin.
No, Raga.
Okay.
So I decide say, I'll give my next chance to say if he does a learner or what.
Yeah, you know.
So Raga.
We don't want to go into no detail about that here.
Alright, Raga. I tell him so better use something else because him impotent.
Yeah.
And his wife can't now work. So better just go buy a casket and bury himself.
And that you will tell him, man?
Straight, I tell him, I say, man, you're ugly like alligator. You can't do nothing. Better you just buy a casket and bury yourself.
So what you say, him ugly like alligator and can't do nothing. Him can't strike. Him can't swipe. Him can't do nothing. So you say, what you say, that he like him just so dead and done?
Better.
No, man. Life goes on still, you know. Life goes on still. But,
it's what, Raga? It's what? We're not going to live off.
No, but that is not all in life. Life is not only about swiping and striking. Him can live a productive life. Him can continue help.
Somebody else has spent on them and him don't get no out in return.
No, but him probably just get satisfaction from spending.
All right, Raga.
Him get satisfaction from helping people. Him just can't help in other way.
Jesus.
Well, he can, you know. Yeah, he can do some look at Jesus thing.
No, him are the good Samaritan.
Yes, then that thing can just go on and spread that kind of love. Him just can't get any kind of love, you know. He has no talents there and him have no oral talents or anything like that or whatever. So, but anyway,
he never make up good, Raga. He never make up.
He never make up good. All right.
No.
All right, take care here.
All right, bye.
Yeah, man, you take care. Yeah. Yeah, man, sometimes swipe can't work in our machine good. We have a mix-up. In my column when I start tomorrow, we get a mix-up, you know. We just write and say the teeth come out, you know. One girl said the man don't even know the pin. She said, I'll be an error and get when you put in this one. Yeah, we're going to break. We're soon forward. To the phone lines we go. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Uh-huh.
How you doing?
Why me there I give thanks, you know?
Raga, me have a little matrix gear because my friend called me last night. It's 2 weeks up me have to gear still. My friend called me last night and I said to me, say, he did have to fly out, so he did meet a girl at Mandeville.
Yeah.
He said, meet the girl. He said, one nice girl thing, say, a strong girl and the girl travel and so forth.
Mm-hmm.
But inside, he go up, and when he go up about 3 weeks, he might call the girl for straight. So me, but he's a youth with mean still, so when I know if a girl did beg him.
He no give it.
He no give it nothing, Raga.
All right, yeah.
And he call the girl the Thursday, and he say he call him back the Friday, and when he call him back.
When you say him, you mean the girl, him?
Yeah,
okay.
He call back the girl the Friday.
Right.
And when he call back the girl the Friday, only for years so the girl did. Because the girl, same girl, answer him and tell him saying that, you know, he did yesterday just as how he talk to him, don't talk to him, he did.
Well, I don't understand what you just said to me.
He called the girl the Friday. Because he talked to the girl the Saturday. And he called back the girl the Friday. He talked to the girl. And the girl, look like the girl changed up his voice on him. And tell him, say, like he now said to him, say, you know what, it's dead yesterday. Just as you don't talk to him, he have heart attack and dead.
But that the same girl?
The same girl, Raga.
Are you telling me that him did a chat to you, Duppy?
Then I said to him, so I did Duppy answer. I did Duppy answer you, and I tell you, say, he dead yesterday, so that simple means, if you see me in a Mandeville again, oh, that I go.
Hold on.
Him back up in a Mandeville.
Hold on. So is that prank she did that work on him then?
It looks so.
Okay,
But
okay.
she just tell him saying dead. Just like how he talked to him yesterday and so forth, he have heart attack. Just like how he put on the phone, he dead.
Okay.
She dead.
So then, and him go really buck her up again. Him could have dead.
I tell him last night and he had to me something. A strong girl and them the girl they don't look like an artist. He say, yeah, them the strong girl like an artist.
They see them. No, original, man. She probably just...
Originally, but some man don't know if he take can. So still,
why you say some man don't know how to take can?
Right. The next thing me I tell you now,
yeah.
me hear Johnny them attack. Last week, Ragashanti shot me I tell you Johnny bad.
All right, see
that. Me great man. So in about 2004,
yeah,
we did have some death also therefore I missed two son so me say alright then. No, this guy me asking.
Well on. You just mumble apart there. Talk it back again. Yeah.
In 2004,
yeah,
we did have some death in my family.
Right.
So me say alright then. Two out of four I will leave and one drop out, so I'll just three leave. So me say alright then. Me ask him to come stay because trust me, me's a woman with afraid. When me say afraid, me did afraid like puss. So me ask him to come stay. After the funeral and so in the year, so he need to work until he get fire and so forth. So he stop work. So me sit down and look into it and I say, well, me have my two youth, them a go to school and on a 100% father they have, so therefore me have to seek out, me have to pay bills, light bill and buy gas and so forth, so therefore me can't take up one next mouth to feed.
Right.
So me tell him, say, boy, I must go cut.
Yeah.
Me no want to live Raga. One day, me see him sit down on the bed, and me see him scraping foot bottom. And when he was scraping foot bottom, he not about take it to no meaning, because through me motive, he go barefoot sometime, and barefoot, me not take it to no meaning. Till one night, me go on my bed. When me go on my bed, me dream see one lady, where she called my grandmother, auntie, and she sweep out the house. And me I say, how she sweep out the house? So I'm wake up and I say, how she sweep out the house? So, and me always sweep out. Me say me I go do a routine sweep out, like when me see she do. So I say when I go on the bed, me see one little white clear buckle with some red substance in it, and me run to my neighbor and say to him, say, which is a man, and say to him, say, look on something here when me find under the bed. Me come, me say to him, say, you know, so me go on my bed and me see this rare, oh, this come on, what is? He say, ear freshener. He said, then if I hear freshener, I never see it using this house. Anyway, the argument done. No said nothing more to it. One day now, me did kind of feel sick, because from the day now, me kind of feel sick, and me did have this stress, and that's why I feel love you so, because you make me release after the stress day. And it's like me stress out, so every time I go to doctor don't know what do me and so forth. So the morning I wake up and I feel sick, weak out and sick and so forth. So I ask him to draw one noodle for me. And in jar the noodle, which is a cock soup and in dry. But rather when he come with him, he sees I look at something roll up in a hit. So I said, Master God, I couldn't want this. I mean, I look at something there in a hit. I want something flashing in my mind and I said to you, say, look, take up one and roll out here, look on you. When they look on you, and the strip off and foot bottom.
The strip off and foot bottom and roll up in something again in the soup for you?
I think cooking at the food.
But
he said to him,
why him do that for?
Because he want to tie down himself in the yard for no less.
Backside, you know. Oh, so I feel more better than finna leave. So if you eat off a strip off and foot bottom, that's how make you make it.
Yes. So when you hear the people last week, I was
that's how make it tan there.
Yes, he was tan there. So me pick up now and me start getting mad, me get wild. And me decide, so me say, yeah, come out here, so I go to the station, go tell the police and say, they have few much money, and then me say, me if come out. The police say, so then the woman yard, the woman, he say, food the yard, he say, see her. Me say, me call up on the station, and me tell the police and say, I'm my yard. It was given to me by death. and me take care of the woman and the woman give me the yard. So therefore me say, if he come out, he come out.
Right.
And he decides, say now come out, Raga. So you know what me do?
What you do? Quick, because we have to cut now.
I fix up the quickly them and me left and go and fill in mother yard, go stay for the weekend and lock my door. And put in things them in our old kitchen when we did have putting things them in it and leave. So when me come now, we did have something else in the house when me never see. So in the Monday morning, he pick them up and leave.
So you get rid of him?
Me did get rid of him, man. Me get rid of him. But last week when me hear them talk about the football and me hear some people say nothing can really go so. But because me experience here already, that's why me say me.
This man did that try you with pieces and football time for make you eat pieces and football.
You see, in like one man can go, one man, you know, and the man when can go, me know the guy, but the guy never know me as my right name, he know me as Alias. So when he see me go to him and say to him, say, you see XYZ come there, and he say, yes man, but he give me one name, and then what say you? He say, yes man, he say, you're running out of the other, re.
So is that next Wobia man in go to? Is that next Wobia man in go to? All right, listen, we are going.
Somebody when me know.
All right, respect for that mix up there, whatever. But it just goes to show that you have to be careful what you're eating nowadays. You know, because next thing you know, you eat somebody's food. You eat, watch your belly. Come here, say, fan of boss attack. Watch your belly. You understand? Because next thing you know, you eat all the whole of somebody's food.
They rather post me when go eat it. And that's anything they are eating on me.
No, then if you eat it, you would have the same way, you would have turn up in your gut.
And then you have to take something to go pick him out.
Yeah, next thing you know, they're going to tell you to drink gallons of salt water to get you. All right, take care of your...
I'm me, rather.
Me know how you, man. I say nothing, man. Me know how you, man. Everything good, man. All right?
All right, Raga.
Blessing, love you, save me. Everything is everything. So when you go back up, so? Oh, she gone. All right, where will I break? We'll soon forward. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
A good as listener.
Good as what you say, babes?
Well, come back on the show, because I don't know me that wait for you till I come back for fine. Because I don't know Johnny can angle mix up here, you know, me say. You don't know?
Yeah, man, Johnny can't angle anything, man. But what you say, you know?
So you know so good over you, because I know so I know for them I love you, Raga, but I love you.
See it there.
Raga, me that tell you, say, when the husband and the rotten teeth, girl. Raga, I say my husband, I tell you, my husband, I look good, boy, you know, because the breeder, they make us come out of a good family, and so them pretty like warm. My husband knows straight in my pretty ear, you know, man. And I say, Raga, I don't know nothing in him, you know. That's my friend, and I say, boy, good as, you don't know where your husband is going to put himself with that girl. As I tell her, say, asylum is a tricky face. The man them be careful when them go asylum, go look woman, because when you go in asylum, and you're in asylum, Raga, you look so pretty, but when you come out, you feel like dirty.
You see it?
Sometimes you go to the club, the go-go club, and the go-go end up on the stage and I go on with them things. But if you when them come out of the light, they like dirty.
You see?
So, Raga, the way the girl over me, when Chuck did a pass out the machine.
Oh, which Chuck? Which Chuck? Which Chuck?
Zoo Chuck, brother. You know Zoo Chuck.
Oh, Zoo Chuck, the animal Chuck. Okay.
Zoo Chuck did a pass, you know, then she and a creep up she rather. Because she ugly, rather.
See it there.
She ugly and cranny, rather. Now, mouth rotten, the whole of her teeth, them she all affect the teeth now, mouth.
No, but well on. Make you say like your husband come from good breed cause him brown, and then you say she black and ugly. Black, ugly and brown, good look. No.
She and put himself with she and get her she pregnant.
Okay.
Raga, I look good, you know. Raga, I'm slim enough fat, you know. But
Yes.
I'm slim a little bit, the cute, my DNT.
Your DNT? Describe your body. Describe yourself to me.
Raga, I'm slim.
Yes.
You're hooked it.
And you're
slim, a little and neat.
Little and neat.
Yes, Raga.
Well, you're hooked for you.
Yes, Raga, I'm good like that, Raga.
Okay.
I'm good like that. So with you talk yesterday about Angel and Beanie Man.
Yeah.
And Angel, Beanie Man comfortable with Angel and not to come back. Well, I mean that 3 times me and my husband left and go back.
Okay.
I'm good like that, Raga.
Because you have the must come back, don't it? You have the affy come back, don't it?
Yes, Raga, I'm good like that. Everything together gamma to Raga. So I have to come back. I mean, I have to go there. I mean, I have to tie him, Raga.
You see?
It's just good like that. That's why them call me good as my name from birth.
See
I
then.
have it like that, Raga.
So then, you explain that him go there with this ugly woman, this ugly woman where you...
That me I tell her, Raga, in same God asylum, I meet the girl, Raga, and him Anna, I'm the no Raga, and please go down, Raga. This was on the one night stand, Raga.
Oh.
And the hotel, and when he wake up, he say, girl, I saw you ugly.
And that him say to her, when him wake up and him see her, and don't sleep with her, him say, girl, I saw you ugly, and that him say.
Girl, I saw you did ugly, and that was it, Raga.
Okay.
After that and things go down, she call and tell me, pregnant, him all this one, the baby, I saw the baby, I no feel. But when we see the baby, everybody see the baby, family, everybody don't see a film for mind, the baby. But the baby had split image and cut off the baby head and cut off him. Rather me have the baby, you know. I love the baby so too. The baby have 4, rather. And the baby call me mommy. At first, when the whole situation and everything started, it really stressed me out, rather. Me only move out in a rather.
Yeah.
I'm going to live for my own in a rather.
Yeah.
It stressed me. I tell her some more cross. But when I see the baby, I saw the baby say, my husband, I'm going up on my knee and going to fasting. After the fast, give me for the 8 years, I'm going to get to love the baby.
Right.
I'm on the baby, I take care of the baby, Raga. And the girl going to school, but take care of the baby, Raga. I take care of the baby now, too, because she can't call my husband. She wants to have it like this, she can't call my husband phone, and my husband will depend that.
Yeah.
So when she call normally, me always anything answer. She see the baby too, because she will go to school and look up for the baby. And when I call her and somebody say, I want to talk to your son also. So it's not like me I kill the baby for her or anything like that, Raga. You see me? Right? But when she wants to go, she wants to plug up with my husband because I fight with the girl have now. And the father take her to all of the children there.
Ruth, see if you can get Margaret McCall there for me quick. Yeah, see if you can get Margaret. Listen, there is some legal issues here going on that I am unqualified to answer. So I'm going to see if I can I don't know if I can get her quickly, but we're going to try get her quickly. Ruth, just tell her what the situation is and tell her that I am unable to answer this from a qualified orientation here and thing. But I don't know I don't know how the thing go, given that you have been raising the child for 4 years. Because obviously you have been the caregiver, the person taking care of the pitney or whatever, this and that.
Yes,
but I don't know what right she has as the biological mother, if she can just step back the pitney at any time.
Because she wants to call my husband phone and to my husband a better and that. Rather, when I wasn't a love thing like him and this love up or anything like that. Him not depend that with she.
So let me understand what you say. She never have no problem allow you with the pitney and thing, but she want.
No, because she used to go look for the baby.
Oh.
The family and born her from the yard. She used to come in at the yard, you know. She'll come in at the house. And my husband used to tell her, say, don't make she come in. I said, that's a lad, man. Sure. Wait by God, let by. Make she come in, man. But anyway, my Lord have to come in at the house and so till a little thing go down between my husband, Levy, and she. Then they fight and thing. So my husband better done her from the yard completely. So when she comes, she normally stay out at the gate. And she go down at the school, go look for the baby. You understand? If she want to call my husband phone and my husband a depend that, which is a true, I go down at the school and tell her, so me see her, I say, yeah, hear me? My husband say, I must call him phone or text him phone, because he may not know where they're yarning, have no communication, so why you can't call me, anything to her, the baby call me. I reply, I want to let me from, I say, listen. You don't want to be at that right now. You don't want me to extend until when.
So she never have no problem with do not keep the pitney. In fact, you had a right. You had a pretty good relationship up to that. And it was mutually agreed. So you keep the pitney and thing. But she want to call your husband and she like and enough up with your husband. I want to put a stop with that. She take back the pitney off his spite, you know.
Yes, Raga. Because you are up front in the with the husband. Because my husband good looking, you know, hot boy. And I'm telling you, I'm acting, man. When I go out, you know, glass match, curtain match, shoes match, top match,
And them wear them flex.
I really like boy.
Man, she ever get in her whole life. So she want, you know how she try to. And the girl can good ragga. She cranny. She mad. She ugly. She mug. You know where my husband did that thing, you know. But I'm a hot girl and I'm look good, you know. Yeah, so the other day say, some go and do up them foot on the back, the foot on the foot back. No, my foot stay good up to stand on me. When I'm about to my foot scrub.
Okay.
My foot well do up and scrub my foot.
All right, hold on. You sure because that's not really the... Okay.
Some look good. Some don't know, him get himself mixed up with she.
No, but no, let me tell you something, man. No, let me tell you something. You see when you're drunk, people look different when you're drunk, here. I just want to standard thing that when you're drunk, you have some woman pop down, woman look like them shell down, you understand?
Right,
I just want junkie, that's why you have to be careful with liquor. Like you say, you have some girl who club at. You understand? Them only at when them in a club, but outside a club, them not at. You have man stay so too, them only club at. When them in a club, them at, and when they come out, them favor, me no know, them favor garbage truck or something, right? So I just feel mistake that. But basically when I did I work with a mistake and thing. But what I not like what I hear from you is that she never have a problem with Una keep the pitney and I raise the pitney.
Right, Raga.
And just when Una start put on a foot now and I say, yo, bam, nobody regular up the thing to the man now and believe so like you're the man there or anything like that. At that time, she can go take back the pitney. It would be different if she had said, no, I want to raise my pitney myself. You understand? You know, at different...
But me not forgot searching on the phone for the number.
Wait, 1 second. 1 second. I could take... Hold on, I could take a time signal. Yeah, okay. We have attorney Macaulay online. Good afternoon, attorney.
Hello, how are you?
I am doing quite fine. Listen, thank you again for making yourself available to us on short notice. We are in a little...
No problem.
Okay, we're in a little situation here, and I am totally unqualified to give advice on the matter. So, you know, I appreciate you being here. We have a situation where a lady here, she's married. Her husband went out one night, drank a little bit too much and ended up in sexual relations with another lady, and which resulted in that lady becoming pregnant and a child coming from that interaction.
Yes.
The child was eventually the husband kept the child with his wife and was raising the child for some 4 years, and they remained in contact with the biological mother and so forth. And what the wife is here saying now is that the biological mother wanted to be, get a little bit too close to the husband, and the husband wasn't, didn't want that because as far as he was concerned, he made a mistake, but he was stepping up to his responsibility and so forth and thing. But they have been raising the child, sending the child to school and so forth and thing like that. When the disagreement came about, the biological mother went to the school and promptly took the child away. Now, the wife, is here, talking to me, and I don't know what rights she has or what rights the biological mother has in this case. And I know this is your area of expertise, so I'm just asking if you could help us here.
Well, if the father is joining with his wife and they both want to have the child, the most immediate thing they must do is to go to the family court and apply for custody, care, and control of the child. That's immediate. Okay. And then they should his wife should apply to adopt the child.
Okay.
After, because that process takes longer. So the quickest thing they have to do to give them the father has the legal right to have the child.
Right.
Yes, but his wife doesn't have the same right.
Okay, but
right? So in order to legalize her position, they should both apply for custody care, okay, and control.
And then after that, the wife can apply to formally adopt the child.
Whilst the process is going on in court, they can then apply for the adoption because that's going to take much longer.
Okay, but tell me now,
and then when they go to the court, they must ask for a very early date, and the father can go and get his child back. But if he doesn't, they must get an interim order from the court for the child to be returned to them. because this woman is acting against the best interest of the child.
Exactly. That is what I'm wondering. Because if the child was in a stable home,
was in a settled home,
right?
Right.
Right, and was going to school and was provided for and so forth and things like that. But wouldn't it stop?
Now she's not thinking about the child's interest.
Okay.
Yeah, but let them go to the family court as quickly as possible.
Okay, and they need to apply for custody care.
The officers are there to help them. They don't really need a lawyer, but if they're really stuck and they need help, they can contact me later on, after they've been to the court and made their application.
So at present now, given that the biological mother took the child, she's allowed to keep the child then, right?
Not really, not as against the father who has care and control of the child.
The father has care and has had that control for 4 years now.
I mean.
For 4 years
Consistently for the last 4 years. The biological mother does not have a better claim than the father.
Okay, I see.
The father has a better claim because he has a child for the last 4 years.
Okay, I see.
This mother now is interrupting that child's life, settled life.
Okay.
To her detriment, to the child's detriment.
But what if the mother...
The father must act. And in fact, the father can report the mother to the children's registry.
The father can report the mother to the children's registry?
The children's registry, yes, because her behavior is abusive and contrary to the interests of the child.
Okay, but what if the mother were to say, okay, fine, I had allowed this because so forth and so forth, but as the biological...
She should go to court. She should go to the court.
Okay.
And apply for custody care and control.
Okay. Because we don't want it to seem that we're saying that the mother has no rights here either.
No. The mother has rights, but she should do it in the proper way,
right.
Wherein the child's interest will be protected.
And it is certainly not the proper way to just, out of the blue, just take the child out of the school. The child is used to a home that she's been living in and so forth. And it has been the case for 4 years that the child has parental figures, including the biological father that the child has been relating to and so forth. And to just go and snatch a child out of the school like that can result in... Yeah, right. Okay. That's not the proper way to do it then. That's what you're saying. Okay, then. Darling.
She's completely wrong and out of order. She is not acting as a mother who cares for the best for her child.
Okay. Darling, you're hearing all of this?
Yes, Raga, but look here, Raga, she's an unfit mother because, listen, she walk and catch church all
No, hold on.
All that is for you to tell the court.
Exactly.
All that's for you to tell the court.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's not, if you're getting it wrong, it's not exactly, it's not 4 years you have the baby for, the baby is 4 year old. But I have the baby, I have
for all the baby's life. Okay.
I have the baby a long good while. I didn't have the baby for 4 years, right?
How long you have the baby? How long you have the baby?
I have the baby from in from in Mia.
Mia we just gone ya?
Because
hold on. Mia we just gone ya?
Yes, Raga.
Well, you see that just changed the equation.
If they got the child because the mother left the child with her.
Long time my husband she didn't want to. The baby, let me tell her, the baby used to come spend a weekend with us, but he wasn't exactly living with us until fully Mia, right?
Darling, listen on. No, hold on. Listen to attorney Macaulay. Listen to attorney. Yes, attorney.
It is better for you to go to the family court.
Exactly.
Because if she gave the child to you, the family court will consider all that and what is best for the child. Go to the family court. You don't need a lawyer. It's for people to go and talk informally with the judge. All right?
Yeah, man. So, hold on. No, listen to me now. Not care what you say right now. Your very next step is to go to the family court.
Yes, that's it.
I told my husband because he's not me, he's a mother. I told my husband to go down at the family court. I will go with him, but he didn't.
Yeah, he has to go.
You must go with him because if the child comes to live with you, he's living with you.
Right.
You have to help look after the child, so you must be there.
Immunization, because I take all the baby to dentist to get the baby teeth clean. The baby appointment.
All
right. Listen. Well, I know you still not get here where we are saying. You still make the case to we. And what the turn of my call is telling you is that, no care what you say right here now, your very next step is to go make that same case the way you tell me. You need to detail all of that to the.
Try the case on radio, please.
Exactly.
Go to the family court.
Go to the family court. You hear?
Yes, Raga.
All right, then. Blessings, Auntie. I turn of my call.
Blessing, Raga.
Yeah.
Okay, Raga. Nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, here. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Why, I rate that turn of my call, she always make herself available on very, very short notice and thing. And clearly, this is an area that I am not the expert in, but as she was pointing out, the very next step is to go family court and get what's it called, child custody, care, something like that, first, and then after that she can see about the possibility of adopting the child. But she give a look at twisting her something later on down the man, because it's different if she did just have the picture from me. Right? It means that the biological mother did have the child up to that time, don't it? And that means that the biological mother would, can make a case. Well, just me, she get the pitness, she have the pitness, so, Yeah. Hello.
Hello?
Yes. Yes, greetings.
Raga?
Yes. Oh, you know.
I'm okay. I'm in a situation here. Hello?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man.
I've been living with my ex-mother-in-law for 3 years.
Uh-huh.
Because of my daughter. All right. Living here, they're not treating me good.
And? So what? She lose her this? She gone? All right. Okay.
But there with a little man, but guess what? He used to live with his mother.
Yeah, talk up louder.
He used to live with his mother.
Yeah.
His mother now end up there with a man with not like her son.
Yeah.
She end up now, at the time I was studying.
Yeah.
You understand? And me and him start talk. Nice handsome black guy.
Yeah.
And me and him start talk, and you know what I mean, we get in. Why Sunday morning now, he call me and tell me, say, boy, he might go kill somebody because his mother put him out for her husband. So I say, all right, baby, no watch nothing. The mother end up call me now. When me go down at the yard, Raga, the mother go say to me, say, boy, she asked me to make her son stay with me for a while because then him stepfather not like him and she can't deal with that.
Right.
No, Raga, you tell me you have your son and you're going to put out your son because of a man?
How old is the son?
The son at 21.
Son at 21?
At the time.
At the time?
And we there 4 years now.
Okay.
All right. At the end of the day, guess what going on, Raga?
Uh-huh.
Not never did I go on for the son.
Yeah.
Me end up now, mine up the son and give him everything. Mine all them. Give them all things, it don't really matter because to me is a, me's a business person.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, so me always out there try look it and things.
Yeah.
You understand me? When me do all of that now, Raga, them I go tell, a matter of fact, before we even come to the part there, she called me one day, I go tell me, say, she want 500,000 for borrow to go build a house. That, and she have her husband, You understand me?
And she she want 500,000 from you?
But then, and Raga, me would have did learn her, but how she put it. Since you're there with my son and thing, it's only fear for you to help me. No, Raga, I said...
No. It's when people make them talk that you get back a cent of that the money there.
Raga, I'm not mad girl.
You wanna get back a cent of that the money there.
Me no mad girl, Raga. Me no give her me things, Raga. You know, say, true, me no give the woman me things. You know, say, the woman hate me up for nothing.
All right, well, and we just take a quick break and come back here.
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. Check, yeah, man. Back up in I sitting and back to a call, I know, yeah. So you said that the mother-in-law talk about you since you're there with her son, if you lend her $500,000 figure bill house.
As if she didn't give me nothing to put on.
Eh.
You understand? And the woman hate me up without a card. Anyway, a little thing going on, our son gets for go away foreign.
Yeah.
She come make me know.
the uncle and couple of them are going to make me know, say, me forgive them. The son forgive them in bank account. So
what you mean give them in bank account? Then if them not want it, when them not ask the son feet, what them I tell you for?
Thank you. So that me want to know. How come them your mother, all right, she have two sons, you know. One go to Paris, go dead, you know. And they could even read the death certificate can come down in a French. See how them damn daft and fool.
Oh, so hold on, him go to Paris, go dead?
So them saying go to Paris, go dead.
Okay.
You understand?
So yeah, when,
come down
hold on. When she did tell you to take the son, you did take in the son?
Of course, me take him in, a nice pretty boy.
Okay, so you take him in and fix him up and spend on him and clean him up and
crazy money me spend on him. I be a name brand me put on him.
Man, me just curious. You older than him?
Yeah, man, me older than him, but a hot boy.
But how much older than him? You?
Me about 3 years older, man.
But you say him a hot boy?
Yes, man, sweet pretty boy, handsome ragga.
I want good looking you, do.
Lord, nobody talking, make my body weak.
That's how you look at Dolly when you have there and service you properly, don't it?
Of course. From all angle.
From all angle. So, and him deal with you wicked and deal with you good, don't it?
Him deal with me proper, me not lie. Him deal with me proper. If the older men them would have did do that, we wouldn't end. Women like all me, wouldn't end up with all that, you know.
Okay.
Them little youngster, but him good like that, and him rate me, and him respect me, and him love me. Him love down to the dirt me walk past. See it there. So you take care of him, you clean him up, you nice him up, you proper him up. You buy my car.
You buy my car. Tambourine. Carry him out and him because of your good boy. You're good youth.
And I'm a boyfriend that I'm a man.
I am man.
That I'm a man. And my boyfriend come along, me take them things and mine him.
I want it.
Good up, man.
Yeah. And if some other man wants to say, you take for them things and mine, you good up, man.
I'm a man mascot.
You see it. So you not have, well on. You not have no problem to spend good money on your man, don't you?
No.
No problem you have, no problem.
No problem to spend good money, because you have to spend for it.
You see it.
You understand? Then Raga, then if you go out there, and you see a little big woman and she like you.
Yeah.
And she has spent crazy money on you.
Yeah.
You don't know,
Yeah.
You don't have your wife at your yard still in but she want come in at the business and come in at the thing.
Yeah.
What you are going to do? You are going to run and make she say, oh, Ragashanti, no.
No, well I know. Me, I tell you, say one time, me used to, you see what you just say? Me have to use one different word. But you have a thing named, me have to call it one different word. You say sympathy walk and fear walk.
What?
Well, no, listen to me. Me used to do them thing there. Fear walk. Me not do them things anymore. It don't matter what a woman going to say about me. If she dash out the something upon me and me don't want it, me not taking it.
That's a one time, Raga.
No, me not taking it. Me don't care what people want to say. Yeah. Look on it that way. The amount of woman who, with all due respect, the amount of woman who would step to me or whatever, there's no way me could have started out the whole of them.
No, you can't start out the whole of them because some of them definitely...
No, but the point me I make is you have to say no to some, and when you say no to them are going to wonder what's wrong with you or not. But I don't care. So me just... No, hold on. I just want to know so I not agree with that part there. And you see me there with that woman, me not make no woman look for my woman and go laugh afar.
Raga.
You understand what I'm
saying?
No, we don't. No.
Love for hype, Raga.
No, we just want. No, hold on. Me know. So me know you hype, man. Me just want you attack like some me. I go say so and so. Me just want where my headspace there.
Yeah.
All right, on a different level now.
Mm-hmm.
You think so me could I get a woman for you spend some money for me?
Of course.
You think so me?
Raga, you not see your body. I was wrong with you.
Okay, so me could I get a woman for spend some good money for me buy me car and all.
Money, English and pound and euro.
Okay, so what the link then?
Raga. I want to you. You're going like, out there, whole heap of girl up in Atlanta are mad over you. Some of them are jump fence and all them foolishness there.
You see it?
I want to you.
You
know the whole Atlanta link.
So when you say some Atlanta woman, them...
I want to you.
And them would have spend money for me?
Crazy money, Raga. Oh, you going like you're naive, sir, Raga?
Well, all me have to do I look good and give them some good sort out, no?
Then you don't need to do nothing more, Raga. Them buy you, them try them half of the world, give you and make you look over the other side.
Oh.
joke.
Okay, so how the thing I end up now with you and your Spooky? Your man?
My Spooky good, Raga.
So you and him still link?
Yes.
You and him still lock right now?
Stop.
So wait, so the in-law them still a fight you?
Come in a response to them, I'm not with them.
Okay.
Response to them.
And him still respect you and rate you, say you're dead a film, don't?
Well, him?
Yeah.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course, but I'm not respond to in-law because in-law can't help me.
You see?
I mean, you don't have to help them.
See
because
there?
I'm in a better position than down to the wall this one right now. None of them are in no position to help me.
Okay.
So me in a better position and I'm not in a better position. I am in the position to help all of them.
Okay,
but
see
I
that?
couldn't care less because I love him and I like him. Anyway, Raga, remember the mix-up yesterday with a dread, with a rasta,
Which?
a Charlie rasta?
Yeah.
Yeah, him Senan.
Him Senan?
Of course.
Him money run.
Crazy money too. And him bad me up.
Him body up, where him body up, sir?
Yeah, him bad me up. Him tell me some BC, you see, Raga. He tell me some things. He tell me how shoot me. But that time I no care less, Raga.
Okay.
Because him start out my daughter.
Him send on the money for your daughter.
Yeah, man, him send on triple. That means I not look for none for Christmas. Him send on one crazy 240 for me.
A lie?
Yeah, him send a crazy 240, so I not look for none for Christmas.
No, man, a good money that he send.
A crazy money, man, but him to deal with me better.
And you thought the same Rasta entertainer there, right?
Of course, the same good up Rasta we're using Magna regular.
You're using Magna card, swipe card regular, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, and send on the money.
Yeah, man, him send on a crazy 240 for me, man, that me I tell you.
Proper.
Me feel good.
Proper.
Although me and him, we have to cuss first.
Right.
Yeah, understand me. I chat to your man.
Hold on. You can't call, you see the B word where you use?
That one there.
Yeah.
I apologize to Cardell Green again.
Yeah.
I watch nothing Raga him send on. And him a cuss out my blue light.
Yeah.
But I saw it go. Because sometimes if you not touch them can, them no know so them for do them thing.
Them for step up,
you
man.
understand. And them step up them peers.
Yeah, him cuss out your blue light, but him love your red light.
Of course. No, what kind of red light you talk about, Raga? Me not the red.
No, me not talk the red light there.
Thing.
No, that one there, you mad? No, man, not that one there at all, man. Not that one there at all. No, we're not. I understand. No, hold on. Yeah, you talk about the card, right?
Yeah, him card, no error still in a Raga.
Oh, okay, no, well, hold on, start the...
Just in 4 code, in 4-letter code.
No, you see, when you say push it, you never know where you talk, but you talk the swipe card. And you say him always know, him always have a right pin, don't it?
Him pin code correct.
Yeah, and him cannot show no error.
No.
Anytime he put in him card, him always get cash come out of the ATM. No. Money just, the money just come out. So. If I laugh, I wet up my cookie shot.
I say you're good, though.
A blessings, man. When they give thanks, you know?
Well, I want them come show you, because you don't know all the things.
Please do.
You don't know, say, you link from such.
All right. Let's say a word here.
Distinction and something.
Yeah.
But I don't know one of them there.
Yeah.
The decent way.
Yeah.
Because you know the decent side.
Yeah.
I tell Ruthie a while ago, say, you don't know the decent side, but you don't know.
All right.
Deal with it on a level there because you don't know. Right? Boom, bang.
It goes so.
It's Zimmermeling.
Zimmermeling.
Here, Raga.
Yeah.
Big up.
Yeah.
Love you. Bless up. And Ruthie, me just ask her for the recipe. How she won round, sir.
Oh, Ruthie round, sir.
Man.
All right.
Why
you
ask her for the recipe and she laugh like she think a joke thing. You put on things still, because you have to look good for them kind of man there.
Oh, Zin.
You understand me, but...
You know a Ruthie, man? You know a Ruthie, man?
No, I don't know a Ruthie, man, because when I come and ask you, I never see Ruthie with no man. I see Ruthie one turn up one place alone. Okay.
All right, then we're going to next call you here.
Yes, a blessing.
Yeah, man, protection and strength.
Oh, no.
Cool. Here we go. Okay, the FBI in the United States is saying they rescued 69 young girls from prostitution. Human trafficking. Hey, I'm going to tell you, if you look on Jamaican missing persons, listen, most of them are some young, 90% of them are some young girl, You understand? People no talk to no daughter them out there, with all due respect. right? Them going to done me and say me an informer, whatever. Want to talk to the daughter out there. Because y'all have a way where it run. Where the hustling run. Them send out some hot boy with crazy money, some look good boy if you move to the young girl them. And draw them in a this and that. And next thing you know, they're missing. And then going to use them as prostitute. Formal term feet of human trafficking. Again, the missing persons list right here now, the great majority of them is young girls. Young girls. Right? And you can convince you some serious human trafficking are going on in Jamaica with them young girls. Every minute a young girl missing. You understand? So, want to keep on the head up and be careful and nobody run down likes and go on like say on the head giddy and make certain things dazzle on the eye and then next thing you know you end up in some prick or whatever. Cause see we all hear the story and some of them end up a Cayman and this and that reach them and be a thing. Run that time signal. To the phone lines we go. Sure people mix up, bossy people mix up, big shot people mix up. We want to hear some mix up about some sure people, some bossy people, some big shot people. We want some mix up about them and any other sample mix up on. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
Greetings.
I want to big up Martin and Miss Tony. We are playing. I know I have a mix up for girls. Hello?
Yeah, man. I hear you, man.
Yes, I want to big up the girl who lives next door to me. We leave her man and take up the next man and live in a room where not even wall apart them.
Well, say that again.
I want to big up the girl who lives next door to me. We leave her man and take up the man in the next room where on the wall part their house.
What only wall part them house?
Yeah, they live in the same yard, the same house, but on the wall part them.
Okay, so she left fear man and just go pick up another tenant in her yard.
Yes, not the same yard.
Okay, so what wrong with that really now? It look bad, so she just pick up her next man next door. That look careless, don't it?
Yes, a carelessness.
Then suppose she have a good reason for left the one where she did with her.
I come on for business that.
I come on. Tambourine. What you say? She move like she come on for
business that, Raga.
You see. I hear what you say. I hear. She should not do that, no.
A good girl that man and the two man them grow together like brother, you know.
A lie.
Yes, man, they grow up together, conduct and boss everything.
What, at you?
Yes.
No, but the other one will take care of him bad, him move her full against him friend, man.
A man, you don't really matter. A man and he have nature too.
Okay. No, but you know, feel same shouldn't do that if him grow up with the brother and my brethren like that.
Yeah,
and what?
Then rather, then work it up on the next. Suppose the girl push up himself on the man.
Why is a fan she push up herself on the man for take it?
And the man yam salt for your feelings too.
Him a what?
The man yam salt.
Him a yam salt, so him a so wait, him a yam salt, so him a feelings too.
Yes, brother.
Okay, you think you're easy? Okay, so we should move out her room out of the other one and go in with the other one.
I got the next one. The only thing she took out of us are clothes and move over.
And just move go next door. New man.
Yes, man.
New man. Hey, I know, well, Mona Rita still a real careless girl. I couldn't de back with her. No, I couldn't de back with her. Then I couldn't de back with her. You see, she come in like Sophia or something, a breeze, you know. They all both.
Then I look like this, I change the rooster and then I see him roost.
It change the rooster and I see him roost. You kill me. You say, come on, phone. Change the rooster. Change the rooster, but still in I see him roost. Poopa, Jesus. You think you're nice. Anyway, bless up here.
Big up yourself.
Long time. Protection. All right, change the rooster and I see him roost, man. Yeah. You know, rooster and cock, I see him thing, you know. Change one rooster in night and take one different rooster and I see him roost. Change from one cock gone to the next cock and I see him roost. Anyway. Good afternoon, hello.
Hello?
Yes, greeting.
You know like me a wall?
Eh? How are you?
Raga?
Eh?
Me did call and tell you about the mother-in-law. All right, Raga?
Yeah.
Me live here for 3 years.
Eh.
Me live with my mother-in-law for 3 years, but me be a father left.
Yeah.
All right, you told me already.
Well, you live with your mother-in-law for 3 years, but your baby father left.
Yeah, them say, me and him break up, but them say them still want me to live here.
Okay, because you have a youth for him, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, then. When me work, everything all right. It's when me not work, a disaster. When me work, me give them money to put towards everything. When me not work, it's like me a helper here.
Okay.
We do everything, clean bathroom, cook everything.
Okay, so what the mix up then? All
right, the mix up, it reach a point where I can't take it no more. I want to leave and them don't want me to leave.
What you mean? You mean you want to leave and you don't want to leave?
Yeah, because if me I leave, me I take my child and they don't want me to take my child.
No, but them can't do that.
Alright, you see, Ragas.
What you mean them don't want? You talk like say you don't really want to step out right now, but true them don't want, you can't step out. If you want to leave with the picnic, you leave with it. If you want to leave with the picnic, you leave with the picnic. Argument done.
Them not gonna give me a.
What you mean them not gonna give you a?
Them not gonna give me a.
Them have a.
Don't want me to leave and she still not treat me good.
Hold on. Them have the picnic or you have the picnic?
The both will live here. Live at the mother-in-law house.
Listen to me, man. If things reach a point where you need, it's not the father, you know. I know the father tell you say the picnic not leave. What you say, the mother-in-law?
The father not deal, but the father, you see, if me go up on the road, the baby is a problem. It's like me I endanger the picnic if I carry the picnic up on the road. Me can't go now with it. Me can't carry the picnic go country go look for me people them.
How old are you?
Me are 20 and the baby is 4 years old.
So, but it sound like that. Them just interested in the picnic and not interested in you. It sound to me like.
Them take me for a helper. Them turn me into a helper. Friday, Saturday, me I go a country. Me for greater coconut for Sunday.
What?
Yeah.
What you say? What?
Me I go country Saturday. Me for greater coconut.
No, darling. Them a treat you like picnic.
Yes,
No, but then again, them going to say, but you're staying here, so you have to contribute. You have to do something. No, that them are going to say.
I buy things. Me maintain me picnic same way. Every month I go supermarket. And a price smart I go.
But tell me something.
I pay about things sell there.
All right. You ever explore the option of getting a room and go live by yourself?
Yeah, and it's like, I don't know, it's like them turn me an idiot.
Listen to me now. I would advise you to leave and go put yourself in a position where, you and the child not at, in the most healthy of circumstances, if you're in a secure environment right there. But if you can move to some place secure and get some independence, then do so. And know that they will try to resist. Because clearly it's a case where the grandparents just say the grandparents feed them one, two, and whatever.
Exactly, it's everybody.
And it's all about them son and the grandparent and not you. Because you just tell them because of the picnic, It sounds to me, them don't really have no great love for you. It's just because of the picnic. At the end of the day, it sounds like probably I'll terrorize you and make you go on and left the picnic and all them something there and thing. But listen to me. That don't sound like a situation. You need to talk to your baby father and say, listen now, me and you not there.
Me and him not deal 3 years now, me and him not talk. Him come look for your picnic, me and him not exchange the word for 3 years.
Well, listen to me, man. Based on what you said to me, you need to take yourself out of that situation with your child.
I got remote them a hide from me not for watch TV.
What the backside you tell me?
I wake up this morning for watch Young and the Reckless, Bold and the Beautiful and One Life to Live. Them hide remote.
Is that a soap opera, girl?
So I say I wake up and watch a soap opera. My name I say I watch soap opera and I lazy up the thing. Y'all look work.
I'm not lazy. It's up to Monday I clean the whole entire house. It's a 2-bedroom house, kitchen, bathroom, find everything. 3-bedroom and I may clean it.
Listen, you need to stop worrying about Bold and Beautiful and whatever and get to work here. That
when me at work, I got me no worry about them things.
Listen to me. And no. And the place bored, so you have to watch your local TV and things. What I'm saying, you need to be aggressively looking for a job right now. You understand? Get a job right now.
That's in the process.
All right. And move out of that place. Because you can't, big woman like you with picnic and them hide remote from you and them something. I'm madness that, man.
Me put money towards them bill. Alright, me find one, this.
Well, on, darling. We're going to go in a circle, because all you're going to do is tell me more things, whatever. And it's really a mix-up show. You understand? So what I say is, you need to get a job and move out of that place. and find a way to move out with your pitney. I know so them are going to worry you when you move out, but you do your thing and make them get used to it. It's not for them pitney. The son are for them pitney. It's the daughter not for them pitney. Yeah?
All right.
All right, now you take care.
All right.
Okay. You know, so when I turn the thing in a dear pastor, is that mix-up show? We doing what? Okay. Ruth, we want mix-up. Oh, it's a mix-up entertainment show. It's a mix-up entertainment show. We don't mind give advice 1 and 2 time and thing. That's why sometimes we don't let something through the door. You know when they start from the girl called yesterday, you know, with her boyfriend. Yeah, and that just everybody around with it, right? You know, it's a mix-up show, see, and things. So we don't want. It's not a necessarily a problem-solving show. It's a mix-up entertainment show without apology. Give me a call. Hello. Yeah,
hello.
Yeah, greetings.
Rada.
Yeah.
What my country?
Country girl, what you say?
Me there.
Eh.
But I mix up me now, mix up today, right?
All right.
I don't kill me apart from my future.
Right.
Me have my girlfriend, she lives around 10 steps from my house.
Eh.
On Sunday. She build one house and he father the help her panny and then get one man.
Yeah.
And he get one man to help and anyway.
She left her 15-year-old daughter with her 10-year-old son in the house while the man did their work.
No, why don't know him plan out, because he send the team brother, the little brother, 10-year-old brother.
Yeah.
To go buy rum. So when the little boy go and buy the rum and see her father round at the back, they cut up steel and tie up it. He come round, wall her down in the house, bang her mouth, and rape her.
So wait, when him a rape her father did it?
Yeah, but in the way around at the back.
And then what happened after that?
He rape her, bang her mouth, anyway, and she get away. And the police, they meet him, because we describe it, and everything when they drive. And touch him on the road. Bring him back in a Dancillian. Go back with him again, Raga. Bring him back, come back in a Dancillian and start out. Once he start out, he admits and rape her. When you check out it, they go hospital and everything. Come back to the man when they carry the man. Go lock up the man in a Raga. And let the man, me hear saying that the jeep out the road up a Wakefield police station and said, them I'm sitting in a Wakefield station to go collect. When they come back, the man gone. And the man rape a 15-year-old daughter.
No. Hold on. Explain what the police and do with the man again. Tell me that part there again.
Then carry him, then go to hospital, right?
Right.
We want the mother come, because the mother is near side, so she has to contact.
We call the mother there. Hello? Yeah. Is your daughter them rape?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what the police them do with the man now. Tell me what the police them.
The police them we were
right.
They take statements from me, my friend, and my daughter.
Right.
And ask the police where they bring in the man.
Right.
They bring him back to Wakefield to get some statements.
Right.
All right. They bring him from Falmouth after 5.
Right.
To Wakefield.
Uh-huh.
And then when we leave in Falmouth in the next police transportation, we saw him sitting at Wakefield in the station.
Right.
In the morning, my daughter went to school and heard that the man get away.
Get away how?
When I come back from Falmouth Monday morning, when they call me and tell me that when I went to Falmouth, they call me and tell me that the man get away. I should come back to Wakefield police station. When I come up by the station, they told me that the man get away and enough for them fast and they all working on it and then tired and see boot here, what they wear. And they search the man all night. So I say, I'm going to Falmouth. One of the policemen said to me, don't go to Falmouth. We are working on it. I said, all right, I'm leaving. And I leave and go to Falmouth and go to the head office in Montego Bay.
And then when you go to the head office in Montego Bay, what kind of help you get down there?
The head office in Montego Bay.
Hold on. 1 second here. Stay online. I'm coming right back to you. Here?
Okay.
Yes. Welcome back. Yes, Carla.
Yes,
so when you go now to Montego Bay, where you go, Freeport Police Station?
No.
Where you go, the head office down at Mobile?
Yes.
And what them tell you down there, son?
Well, head office, do you know what's going on?
head office never know what's going on at Montego Bay. So they call.
No, you mean head office?
When they call Wakefield is like saying, what? So the head office in Montego Bay said, don't hear what I said.
Uh-huh.
I said I need to get some report about the man that raped. And then the gentleman at Montego Bay talk to them and said, by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, let me get some report. And my desk, I want to find the man tonight.
And then when him tell them that?
That is yesterday when I went there.
Yesterday?
And there was no handcuff on the man in Wakefield police station yesterday. No handcuff was on him Sunday, Raga. No handcuff.
No handcuff, not the man.
No handcuff, and right now they set somebody up a Wakefield with ganja and then lock the gate.
See it there?
And put an handcuff on that person.
See it there?
And I went in there a while ago to talk to them. They said, me can't come in.
See it there?
And me and my daughter, both mother and father.
Commissioner of Police, Mr. Ellington, I will pay you that one.
Yeah, man, you need to hear.
Commissioner of Police, Mr. Ellington, I will pay you that one. The allegation.
The man in a Wakefield. And just tell me what to know, Raga. The man drive for a policeman and the policeman get back in vehicle the same Sunday night. You rape my daughter.
The man who rape your daughter, what you say him do? The man who rape your daughter.
The man who rape my daughter.
Him drive.
He drive for a policeman.
So him drive taxi for a policeman.
He drive one red pickup for a policeman and do delivery for court.
Delivery, okay. And then the policeman get back for him van when?
The policeman get back for him vehicle the same night. And the man lego the same night. And him fix the Wakefield policeman vehicle them.
And him fix the Wakefield policeman vehicle them?
Yes, and him fix the Jeep where they use carry him down and carry him up back. And him fix the Jeep.
Oh, but you seem to be saying to me that the man have a very good relationship with the Wakefield policeman.
Exactly.
The man will rape your 15-year-old daughter.
Trying to say that's what I'm telling you.
So you seem to be suggesting, I am deliberately putting it that way because I have to do that for the radio here, but you seem to be suggesting that the Wakefield policemen are engaging in corruption and lego this man who rape your 15-year-old daughter.
Yes, sure, that's how it goes.
This is very, 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 very damn serious. Because if such is the case, it would mean that the police them on some level, the police them on some level do not see it as something very important if a man rape a 15-year-old girl. You understand what I say? In other words, the police them not fulfilling their mandate, not fulfilling their mission. And if such is the case, we're asking the Wakefield police.
But they said, me want to kill this mother and left me pity unprotected on my yard.
Yeah.
Me would not say yes, but me left me pity them with my father. And so my father, they pull the steel and the steel and make nice. He wore long my daughter and cover up my daughter's mouth. God in heaven, you know, system.
Oh, God. And you feel upset and torn up and upset and just awful about this thing, don't it?
That's what I'm saying, man. I tell us, God alone, all of me are there and I go through. God alone.
And the people who are supposed to be helping you, the police officers, them, you're not getting the help and the support that you're supposed to get, don't it?
Exactly, no. Uncle Raga want help on this matter.
And I'm not telling the damn foolishness about man get you. I'm glad you make that point there. A man well with ganja and thing, 2 tools handcuffed upon him. So the backside is rapist in that place. And him admit same rape the girl and whatever as well want to say. And handcuffed upon him and him get you. What kind of damn foolishness that? Road. See if you can get a number for Wakefield police station here. Get a number for Wakefield police station. Bring him back the car. Dal, listen to me now. Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah?
All right. It gone over the year right, you know. It gone over the year right, you know, and the way this thing I work, trust me. A message reach already here.
Yes, man.
It reach the commissioner office already here.
Yes, brother.
And we're going to try follow up on it, Auntie, because this is total slackness.
Nigga man was raping. I tell every man and kill me daughter. Same thing that we do. True friendship.
How is your daughter right now? She getting help?
She break right down. Right down, she break down.
Oh, God. What happened to her? What happened to her?
Huh?
What is happening to her? When they say she break down, what is happening to her?
Brother, it's like she not function. She not function. And me are the only one there here for her. Me are the only one. Me have to try to stay strong.
What she said the man do? Him bung her mouth, him put something in her mouth?
Roll on his mouth and cover his mouth on the bed. And it's like she not trying to get away, but it's like she not reaching nowhere. She not trying. And all of that when tell the police them, so the police them serious like the man.
But you took her to the hospital and everything and them address certain matters, right?
Yes.
Okay. So wait, all you did here, but your daughter tell you said the man will I down and rape her?
Yes.
So when you come back, your daughter, what you do? Where you see her? Where you see her when you come back?
When I come back to the house.
Yeah.
I come in the house and I said, can I have the key? And she said, she's like going back and forth. She confused. So I said, where is the key? She said, Mommy, ask the man. And the man turned front up of the house, stop, throw the key, give me in my house. And when I go inside the room to change my clothes, after I change my clothes, I stand up beside my clothes first, I look up on top of the man, up on top of the roof. And he said to me, why they look for me so far? I don't answer him. Same time I hear the phone, they ring, and I go take up my phone from out of the other answer. My cousin called me and said to me, come up from my house now. I said, I cannot come. She said, come. I said, I can't come. She said, your daughter up here, so come. When me run go up there, she crying. Me asked her twice, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? She said, Mommy, the man where they work on a yard raped me.
And then what happened after that?
And then me come down. I leave from my cousin's house. Come down on my house. Me said to my father.
Let me name you here.
And then my father, when me tell my father have to take a seat same time.
Well on. So you talk to your father now, and you said to your father, say you left the two people them there with him and make the worker man go rape the daughter. And then what happened to your father right there, sir?
Right there for the father have to take a seat. He weak, he said he can't believe. The man come round now to me when my father sit down on me. They tell me, say, make it top nice, make him talk to me. And call me that I want to talk to me, must make no nice.
Wait, who said that to you?
The man.
Him say you must do what? And what him say you must do what?
So me must shut me mouth and top nice and quiet down. He want to talk to me and he must call me daughter. Same time me get out, no nobody tell you what me say. And when I reach in my house, to go in there for something to come out back.
What for something? Why did that go in there for my shit?
Rather, I'm not even if I'm my shit, I will find out anything at all, you know. Me ask me cousin, so what we see police number. Him tell me, say, him can't give me.
Well, the man tell you, say, him can't give you the police, the Wakefield police. The man who rape your daughter say, if you want that, him can't give you, don't it?
Yes. Him say, him can't give me Wakefield police station number. Because
him don't know same of all of the links them up at Wakefield police, don't it?
Exactly so.
And then what happened after that?
And then now, when we said that, and the father said, it means they really do it. He said yes. And then the
Stop right there, sir. Stop right there, sir. Well, stop right there, sir. When you say you want Wakefield police number, and him say, the man who rape your daughter say, if you want the number, him can't give you. Then your father ask him if him really do it, and then him say yes in front of the two, you know?
He said yes in front of his father. And same time the ball out and the people that come down with machete team. He run going and pick up and drive out.
Is it clearly that man feel like say uno helpless and uno don't have no links or whatever for protect himself. That's why I'm feeling
but if you remember say he have one daughter, the same age as my daughter. Alright? If you remember say I have one daughter, the same age as my daughter.
And you said this man fixed the vehicles them up at the Wakefield police station, right? Eh? Mommy?
Yeah?
Yeah, you said this man him fixed the vehicle them up at Wakefield police station, right?
Yes, him fixed the vehicle up at Wakefield police station.
And you say him drive a vehicle for one of the Wakefield police them, right?
He's no longer police there anymore. That's what I hear.
Who is no longer police there? The man who drive the vehicle for?
The man who didn't drive the vehicle for is no longer police anymore.
Okay. But him know the Wakefield police them good.
Exactly so.
And then after them pick him up and carry him up and whatever, have him sit on in there without handcuff and whatever them.
Even the Falmouth police said to me when I was coming up, why they bring back the man from Falmouth to Wakefield and they now lock him up, look good.
Wait, so how that go?
At Falmouth, up to the nurse at Falmouth said the police and the prisoner was too friendly. Because when we went inside with my daughter to the doctor, the other policeman of the prisoner outside, they deal with him. And the nurse said to me, they are too friendly.
Well, we just called the Wakefield police station and they conveniently told us that it's only the sergeant can speak on the matter and that the sergeant is on patrol. But we not let go that one, you hear?
Yes.
We're not letting go that one. We're not letting go that one. We're not letting go this one. Damn feisty. I him for go prison make 10 man rape him. I'm bright enough to admit it in front of town and I say if you want police now. Yeah, I'm tell him. Man, not for them, I just chew them all.
Hey, someone in here no grip.
Hey, that's why I'm not talking, That's why I maintain certain links, because any day anyone on a rule against all my relative them way there, On a try and what difference it, You understand? Oh, him forget Page, that me say. Him forget Page. Yeah, I'm bright. Now worry yourself. We're going to follow up on that one, you hear?
Raga?
Yeah.
Ragoy?
Yeah, may I hear you?
Yes, she got in a country.
Oh, okay.
Them have to say they by law. So you must, when I catch a man doing wrong, you have to give them a tight grip. But if I want any hand, no grip at all. But take it easy.
Them did that juggle friendly with him and thing.
Because them know what they in.
Arms house that straight, yo.
Anyway, leaving Kagan in our week.
All right, country girl, bless her. Yo, why if that really goes so enough? If you them I say them want, them want the police, the number for the police station and in Brighton. If I say
crime.
Yeah. If you want the number, I can give the number.
Take piece of
You understand?
Crime, man.
And then after that, no man, people them at the woman father ask him if him do it, and him I go say yes, him do it, and ball up with it and go on and whatever and all them thing there. I'm telling you, that's why. With all due respect, if that story I go so, and police I give people bad name, you understand? Give the police bad name and things like these make people hate police and start generalize and I hate all police and I make the good suffer for the bad. You understand? They heard it one said the daughter said the man bung up her mouth and then rape her. Right there in that place, send where the son gone by rum and this and that and whatever. And probably my roll them way because him know some police link them stay a certain way, you see me? And if the thing really goes to arms house, and we ask Commissioner Ellington for to step in for one and make sure say police do them work. You can't man a go and a rape 14-year-old girl and just a get to scot-free. So after them in a police custody, you don't even handcuff the man them and whatever. And more time, you know, man and man, police, old man and man with all a look a spliff and whatever and a crazy link to them structure and whatever. And you have a man and rape a 14-year-old girl and I admit it and a hype and a go on and a go on. And conveniently, I go say the man get way. Kind of foolishness that. Police do the police work. Right? You know, you hear me big up police all the while and I rate police all the while. But when them arms house you reach, you know, we have to sound out. You see me? If I want to go on them way and this and that and whatever, we can't know what it is like for somebody, a woman being raped them way there, you know, and being violated them way there. You understand? But good God, man. And for no same have daughter the same age too. And you can't bet if that happened to him for him daughter, you know, I don't want to kill the person.
I saw them son, yeah, dig a grave, dig 2, you know.
See it there?
Dig 2.
See it there? Well, we'll follow up on that one, you Ruthie. We'll follow up on that one. I tell you, when them things are reach hard, for you have to slip back in and mix up. Richie, play a song there for me. Play a song there for me. A gospel Tuesday, play a song there for me. Just play a song. Yeah, I could go to the phone line, yeah, man. I could go to the phone line. There we go. Good afternoon.
Raga.
Greetings.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Boy, that thing that can kill my mood star.
See it there?
I hear that thing that they wouldn't keep us star.
Yeah. And all the hype on it too, you see me?
No, Raga, may I tell you something? If I didn't mean no.
Yeah.
Who couldn't hold me now, Raga?
Yeah.
No man couldn't hold me, no. Because I just pop every chain, every rope.
Go easy. Them say we're not allowed for insight anything on the radio. But you know them way there. But me know where you're there. Me know where you're there because then that's why I code up the thing and tell people, say, oh, that's why I maintain certain link. I know some people roll in other places because them link every certain way and whatever, this and that. So if a guy forget page, I know who forgot to page somebody. You understand?
Sure, no. You hear that thing that big, all the police them low star. And them man, we say for protect us star.
See it there?
And the man we smoke one liquor spliff and the man Jago you know say it's a little thing where me have access still because when they argue our workplace.
Yeah.
But I think as you always do your little survey where we enjoy still.
Yeah.
You eat chicken foot?
Long time I don't eat now, but yeah man. Yeah.
When they argue over curry chicken foot and brown stew chicken foot, which one of them better?
Curry chicken foot and brown stew chicken foot.
Yeah.
I mostly brown stew we eat still, you know.
Yeah, joke. But yo, my curry chicken foot. Yo,
no.
Curry chicken foot at the bomb.
No, but...
No, ask anybody that.
No, but let me ask you something. Don't most people brown stew chicken foot as opposed to curry? No, man. Chicken foot, brown stew more than curry, man. Jermaine said no. Michelle say yes. Richie, what you say? You know,
curry.
A long time I don't eat curry. A long time I don't eat chicken foot. One time the argument that they come up, remember the woman that cooked the chicken foot them with the clamp on it.
Yeah.
You remember that drama there? And thing, the woman that can't cook, and whenever bite it, the cloth, juke out the people in their mouth. And
big man.
Yeah.
Curry chicken foot.
Yeah. Well, you ever eat jerk chicken foot?
Nah.
Old dog boss it, I'm a mother, I'm a auntie them tooming and thing. Mad.
You know, say our Virgin downtown we have jerk chicken neck.
Jerk chicken neck?
Yeah.
Jerk chicken neck?
Jerk chicken neck and a ram for sell off.
It mad. I wish part downtown.
Eh?
I wish part.
That brother, him push him cat and him have a jerk pan on it.
Oh.
Chicken back, jerk chicken neck.
And a 6 something, sell off.
My youth, you see them when that I roll through and you see that they smoke, they get up. Remember me tell you, and then the chicken then now he put on all with something named egg powder upon it, so it have a reddish color, you know.
Egg powder?
Yeah, him seasoning.
Tap the. What the box in here, egg powder?
You don't know egg powder where them put in a when them do sweet and sour chicken, man, and the egg powder give that
reddish color there.
Yeah.
No, but me never know egg powder name. Yeah. Yeah.
Raga never know sir egg powder going in a thing there. You can't cook.
No, but me are the first somebody will tell you that, you know. Me can't cook. No, me admit. No, but me tell you now. Me can't season up chicken, take out the seasoning, brown it, and then cook it down. Me can't cook salt mackerel. Me can't steam cabbage and callaloo.
Instant porridge.
And me can't do instant porridge. That's not cooking. That's a hot up.
Raga.
All right? Me can't cook dumpling. Me can't cook banana. And that's it. Don't ask me for cook anything else. Sweet and sour, oxtail, stew peas and something. Me can't do that sitting there. Me can't cook.
Big man, when you do, you see the way, if a woman see in a kitchen, and she say you can turn certain things, you can burn.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you, you get
what, what you say if you can't turn certain things, you can burn. No, hold on, though. One thing, though. Mm-hmm. You see, when it comes to cooking out a book, nobody no bad like me. And me are the real book cook around here. So when me cook them some exotic dishes from so and so, you know, man. When me a cook out a book, you know, man, they lose their mind, man. But they must not expect it daily or regularly, because they certainly won't get it, because there's just so many books.
They say the book stops somewhere.
Yeah, a special cooking there, man. You know. But me, no, man, I'm not afraid. No, man, I really me can't cook, really, you know. So I always rate the people who can shot them. I can't cook for feed myself, you know. I mean, give me a tin of butter, bean, and all them something there. I'm mad, you know. I mean, to cut up seasoning and beer things. Yeah.
Well, I'll ask you something.
Yeah.
So how much of the most flour you can need?
No, man, I can't need any amount of flour. And it does spoil. I'm a skill pan that. I'm a bad pan that. Flour, when me I need flour no spoil.
Yo, big man, me used to cook for DNG, you know.
Yeah.
When we sit there at DNG and at night time we have to cook sometimes a 50 pound of flour. We have to need. And me talk about tray on top of tray. You have to make dumpling and I put on tray.
All right, hear me now. You see when me used to bad, and then that time Homestead Place of Safety was for boys. Mm-hmm. And we did that Homestead Place of Safety. I went to that boys' home, I live at boys' home and then place for wash and learn for cook, so you don't have to depend on.
All right, may I give you a joke?
Yeah.
My grandmother, she used to sell it a coal yard, you know, grass yard.
Grass yard, yeah, Spanish Town. I want me to tell you,
Foster Lane and Last Street corner.
Yeah.
All right, that's how my grandmother used to sell near Miss Me.
Yeah.
I used to wear the short sleeve white shirt was cool. That's when I used to go Holy Trinity.
Yeah.
And may I tell you this, is anytime you ever hear about a soap named Rude Boy soap?
Rude Boy soap. Yeah. Me can't make it, but me hear about it. Yeah.
All right, them used to have the Rude Boy soap. It come in a blocks and you have to cut it up. I saw them, so they say, my grandmother used to make her wash them there. I said, she come see a speck of dirt on it. Mine buying a grass yard or a
black. Yeah.
My grandma used to unpin the clothes and say, watch it, the dirty closet, yo. Rub it up in the dirt. You have to take up that and wash it over back, you know. That a woman would teach you for wash it, teach you for cook. Them time they used to have coconut brush we used to use and thing that the wooden floor and a wax.
You see it?
Rub on the brush.
You see it?
You understand me?
Yes,
so for them things with them woman you have to them used to them thing there. My grandmother used to give me food to cook. Send me up from the grass yard.
Yeah.
That time a while time I live.
Yeah.
Send me up go cook. And then some you learn for cook.
Cool, no, man.
You understand me?
All right, boss. You don't say nothing to do, but that's
anyway,
all. Yeah.
If you know that run down there, the curry
chicken foot.
Or the brown stew. Which one of them bother?
All right. The people that will call in and touch it, man.
All right, boss.
All right, now say all right.
Cool.
Where will I break? Where will I break, though? Yeah, where will I break? And we'll soon forward, yeah? Yeah, man, welcome back up in the setting, yeah. For those that want to use to the show, know the drill already, you know, that the show, you know, it has all sorts of twists and turns and a degree of unpredictability that carries it in multiple directions and so forth. But I saw things set and I saw we work with it, yeah? Great things, good afternoon.
There I go.
Whoa.
You know, a long time you're supposed to be head class of the cooking course for men.
Uh-huh.
And you say you can't cook. And you don't even know say curry chicken foot are the best thing.
Better than stew chicken foot?
Yeah, man, that's the lick.
All right.
Don't you are the new thing, but curry chicken, man.
All right, then.
When we were in Wisconsin at school, when we study abroad, and we go out some them chicken food, them cut off at the supermarket because, white people don't eat those things.
Uh-huh.
And we as students were glad for it. And when we draw some curry in that and some broad beans.
Okay.
And make some dumpling. We never miss your
Well, long time ago you do either.
Boy, I've been listening to you, man.
All right.
To you.
All right.
And for you as well.
Blessings.
And to
blessings.
say that we're having the men's cooking course in February. So after me done with you, nobody can stop you.
All right.
But keep on keeping on and to tell you that it is curry chicken food as the expert out there.
Curry chicken food.
Yeah, man.
All right, then we're going to take it from you because you're an authority on these matters. All right, blessings.
And keep on keeping on.
Will do,
Glad
will
to
do.
hear you.
Definitely. Blessings and respect. Cool. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello? Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga. First time on your show.
Blessings.
Yeah. What I'm calling for talk about is the lady that start calling about the 14-year-old.
Right. 15.
15?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just thinking that man who had raped her, I'm just thinking that at his age, his daughter's age,
yeah.
I'm saying that no matter shop him, I think him own daughter, and she not talk. You understand?
Well, that is a possibility.
Yeah.
That is a possibility.
Yes. You understand?
Yeah, that is a possibility.
I don't want them dirty man outside there.
Yeah.
Right? And him can all type of disease, anything.
Yeah, if him a roll them way there and all them thing there and so. Right.
You understand? Come on, man. And then the police, that's why let me tell you something. Them always say the good have to suffer for the bad, you know.
Uh-huh.
You understand where the police them is concerned?
Right.
You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah.
And for see Mala, I bought it.
All of that too, and I put about it.
Yeah.
You understand? So just imagine his daughter, nobody can tell.
Right? What reach out to? You never know.
Nobody can tell. And him should be ashamed of him damn self, but him not ashamed because him all broad and out about it. You understand?
But we're asking the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Ellington, to see what he can do on this matter to make sure that this is resolved in the best way possible with the police doing their work as best as they could.
Exactly.
As best as they can, right?
Right. Yeah,
right,
man.
but respect for your feedback on it because a terrible activity.
A terrible thing that, Raga. Because me have a little girl and me and tell her, say, me pray morning, you and night for she. You understand? Because anything can happen out there.
That little girl going to have to carry that scar now for the rest of her life.
Yes. Yeah.
You know, so me tell my brethren them all the while, say, boy, sometimes some woman go on with some things out there for man and will lick out against it. I mean, I like some woman move somewhere out there, I mean, I like. But sometimes if you hear the story when that woman they go through, you know, you understand why them go on so, you know.
Yeah.
You understand why them go on so wicked and cold when they come to man, you know. If you hear them story, you know.
Yeah.
Honestly, you know. If you hear them woman the story, you understand why them get so cold and wicked when they come to man.
Yeah.
Honestly.
And true, man.
For real, yo. For sure. Anyway.
Alright,
there.
big up. Yeah, man.
Manners. Yeah, man. Cool. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Greetings.
Hello.
Yes, greetings. Yes.
Good evening, Raga.
Yeah.
Curry chicken foot to the royal, it's bad.
See it there. No, well, listen, from Edda say, so me are going with Edda say, you know. I think, me just say, me just think say most of the time I stew me did it, you know, when me I grow up. But a long time I don't eat chicken foot, you know.
Okay.
But me I say years and years now I don't eat chicken foot. But I don't even know the last time I eat it actually. No, I don't know years and years because when old dog did do it, my mother, my auntie, and my grandmother, them tombing. But before that, it was years and years and years. But old dog, the jerk chicken foot, I never see it either.
Well, me don't know about the jerk chicken foot, but you see curry one, me I tell you say bad. You know it's bad with white rice.
White rice. See, they sick of that. All right, then. I wonder if any place will sell it?
No.
Come with go buy it tomorrow.
Yeah. Yesterday lady the way I got to get raped, trust me, my heart goes out fear. So when she begin to cry, my heart, it's like me go lock off. Me feel everything within the woman.
Boy, I tell you.
Trust me. And I hope she gets some serious counseling for her daughter, because if she not do, she not going to like to see her daughter a couple years from now. It go affect her real bad.
But you know what that woman must have got through where, unfortunately, a lot of Jamaican citizens go. It's a feeling of helplessness.
Why?
For know that she want to do something, and it's like she can't do nothing because the police them not there for her or support her, you know? That a parent, you know, any parent who them instinct is to protect them picnic, you know, particularly a mother to her daughter, right there, so, you know. And for years, so the police, them not dead for her.
You know? And of them, they out there for protect, but rather, you want to big up the good of police, them, with still in our system. They have some real good of police, you know. Your man want big them.
Because let us be reminded, when she go down a Montego Bay or whatever, is a police, probably I seen a police officer call up there and tell them, say, them want to report the next day. So somebody, they on top of the thing, right? I want to big up them police there who are deal with the matter and thing. I don't remember, say, you don't have daughter, you don't have mother, you don't have sister out there and thing. I don't want nobody hold them and rape them too. So you don't just condone them thing that when them happen to particularly a 15-year-old girl who is a child who is supposed to be protected. You see me?
I saw some of them police, they're neglectful. Because I have some particular police station at St. Mary. I saw them neglectful too.
Oh, see?
Yeah, man, them no care.
See it there?
Yeah, man, I saw them neglectful and stay Raga. I can tell you. You will call them about some situation and then wait till all blood run. You reach, we are waiting. Anyway, Raga, you go and big up yourself.
All right, protection here.
Them can't stop you.
To the world.
Aye.
Yeah, man. Okay, bunks another call for me saying, Schwaf people, bossy people, big shot people. Yeah, no matter. Here we go. Good afternoon, yeah.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga, what going?
Why me there I give thanks, you know?
Boy, I may have one mix-up for you, but trust me, my voice kind of cramp, you know, when I hear about the 15-year-old.
See it there?
You see, in a Sunderland, a jungle dust justice we deal with down here, you know.
Me don't hear what you say.
Me say in Sunderland, that is in St. James.
St. James, yeah.
Jungle justice we deal with down here.
So why not resort to jungle justice and don't make the police...
Brother, tell you no, you have your 15-year-old daughter and a man like that go do something like that to them. Actually, that me have in a Raga. And if a man do something like that to none of them in a Raga.
Yeah.
Me I look for when me done, a prison me I look for go. That's what me I talk about. That's just Raga man.
And that mean, are you saying, so you know, go to the police, come let the police deal with it?
Raga, you know, see what happened here now. President and police had neglect everything. Man, they kill man, they wait too much in hours before they come. People are bad for rape, they wait too much in hours before they come. Becky.
Okay. So
you take it in your one hand and then you go do it. This is what me I talk
so
about.
You say I better you rely upon your own jungle justice and Okay.
Rather than man, they might tell her, this is a little girl traumatized life, you know.
See it there. And I put it at that other part that burned me too, you know. It burned me what him do, but it burned me even more, so I put it.
Aye, and that's what me say, chastising piece by piece. Start by a fingernail, in toenail. And then you know which other part you start by. Crimping man, nothing more we have for you to life.
Yeah. So what you say otherwise, I know?
Why me there? Me and the girl they call about the chick where they fight over you, you know.
You and the what?
The girl did a fight over you.
What you mean fight over me? What you talking about?
I remember the argument when I talk to you, man, but this girl just stop going about you and rating me and every time with the big four.
With the
two
what?
Before,
with the
two before and the Stewart.
Yeah, oh yeah, me kind of remember that now.
All right, I mean, see one.
Okay, but you not fight no more woman over me again, I hope so.
No, man, make me cool her, man. She good to go. She probably must have to kill herself for laugh, you know.
All right.
my phone ring this. Call me phone, you know. So, Raga, that we get you back on the ear, you know.
Yeah, man, blessings and respect, man.
Yeah, man. So,
just
take care. Me call one next day and tell about the mix-up, because trust me.
All
you don't want to hear one, but me kind of cramp, you know. You
me understand. Blessings here.
Aye, mate.
Okay. Second back, I just posted on the fan wall. Second back, I posted, Raga, I'm glad you know, when I like me say, me hate man, who feels it knows it. Yeah, second back, I say, I'm glad you know why. Say she hate man, who feels it knows it. See it there? Good afternoon, hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Yeah.
It's my first time on the radio. And I was listening to you, and my heart go out for the little 15-year-old girl.
Right.
I think these poor weather mother need to go on some fasting and prayer because we need to get justice.
And they need to go to some other police to make them, pull up those police to get justice to. Yeah.
I have 2 daughters, and I'm telling you, man, I wouldn't like somebody to call me or my daughter call me and tell me that. My heart go out, especially when I hear the lady were crying.
Yes, when she did cry, right.
We need to pray. We need to pray.
Right.
All right? And big up yourself, and just happy. Hold on.
Hello? Yeah?
Raga. Me love him.
All right, baby, blessings here. Yeah, man, protection.
That man wants some jungle justice as the woman just say.
Yeah.
Because, trust me, he don't have nothing in his heart. Because anyone did have heart and he did have a 15-year-old daughter. He wouldn't even think.
Right, but them say him have a 15-year-old daughter, them have a daughter the same age too and whatever, and them a roll them with it,
Me not think him have a 15-year-old daughter in a Raga. Because a man with a 15-year-old daughter, me not think him not really have the heart. And then go tell the woman say have the phone number for the police
station.
Them things are not right.
Yeah, and I tell him to up front say him do it. Like, it's almost like someone do it, so what?
Like, it's just another day. Move on.
I tell the woman feel like shut up and thing and come talk to him and all them way there.
No, sir. Them things are not right.
You see?
No, you help her. It's what you can do for her.
All right, then. I
bless
bless
you. Yeah, blessings.
Yeah, man, cool.
All right.
Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Yes, greetings.
The most honorable.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
Boy, a day I give thanks for.
Listen.
Yeah.
There's another case that we are watching now. Them rape, them carnal abuse.
Yeah.
And them rape case.
Yeah.
The man have put her for years,
Don't boy, I'm for tell you, man.
They have put her for years.
Yeah.
And it's full-time prison in Jamaica. Start make for poor people. It must make prison.
Yeah.
Must for all.
Yeah.
Any man who commit a crime.
Yeah.
And not only poor people that dirty trousers, pants man must go to prison.
Right.
But the rich man must go to prison too.
People of influence too.
Yes. And there's a case that I'm watching right now. I hear that the mother and the parents of the 14 and the 15-year-old take Sikangana Hospital today for the trial of the case down in Westmoreland.
Yes. Yeah.
I am watching that one carefully,
Yeah, they postpone it again.
Because what I notice in this country, when the big man then come in and say the case drawn out, till at that time you don't hear nothing more about it.
Okay.
And when little dirty foot trousers man, barefoot man, thief one orange.
Yeah.
And go, as a matter of fact, I was hearing at the police, a man break a stoplight and then charge him for murder.
Him broke a stoplight and then charge him
for murder.
But nothing can go, so him probably did that look for him for a long time.
Good.
And when him brought the stoplight, then catch him.
Yes.
Well, I must so.
Good.
Okay.
So I was
and that is not murdering a stoplight.
No. So the point I'm making is that the law must go for everyone and not some people.
Well, to the credit of the police in this manner with them two people, they were evangelists. Remember him did all a farm fool and them fling on some more charge upon him.
Yes.
You understand? And we say the police are showing some signs that they're trying to level the playing field with that, even though it is nowhere near level where it should be. But we have seen some people lately being held accountable by the police that otherwise we wouldn't, they would not be held accountable.
I am watching that one in particular.
Yeah.
Very, 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 very careful.
Yes.
Because I want to see some outcome out of this one.
Right.
Because people who supposed to be setting example, if they're not setting example, we must make an example of them with the law.
Right.
And I don't support those things.
Right.
Because if a man rape my 14 and my 15-year-old,
Yeah.
At my age, I shouldn't be going to prison, but I will be going to prison.
Because and the reason you probably end up doing that is because you feel that the law wouldn't be there for you, right? Okay.
That's something on the right, man. And you don't go around the show here, sir.
Right. And again, we want to be reminded that you contacted some other police who appear to have a very different attitude towards the matter and is holding those police at Wakefield accountable and demanding that they submit a report the very next day. So we want to big up them police there, all right?
Policeman, and I hope the commissioner will do something about it immediately.
Yes.
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 And this is what we have to take back this country.
Right.
And don't allow the people who live by the law have it their own way to do the things that they want to do and mash down this country.
All right.
So that everybody plan to migrate. Some of us plan to stay here.
Right.
Good. You have a good day here, sir.
Blessings.
Good.
Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, man, I want to go on.
How many days I give thanks, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm so upset this afternoon with that news with the little girl.
Mm-hmm.
That little 15-year-old girl.
Right.
I have two daughters. Actually, one is my stepdaughter.
Uh-huh.
I'm a birth child. And trust me, I wouldn't like to do that work and I get a phone call and say something like that happened. Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna deal with it.
And then on top of that, you turn up and you look on the rapist and tell you, say, him do it. And then when you say you want the police station number, him say, me can't give you.
But Raga, you know, say that mother, she have a heart, you know.
Uh-huh.
Raga, he want to get to you now. He couldn't get to if I did me. Me know, and me, the mother lock up. Raga, not even dog gonna bite him up, so. Remember me tell you, when me grab him,
see,
you must say mad, me say me. Them that lock up, them only lock, but I lock him up.
Arms house.
Foolishness.
Arms house. And if the police am really never did it for the lady, I think a wickedness that, man.
Jesus.
Wickedness.
Raga, one second thing. You will never know, say, curry chicken foot are the maddest thing around here. Raga, my mother used to say, sometimes, my little girl, me always say, why you dress up like a chicken foot for white rice, see?
Okay, and that time I curry, though?
Yes, man. But you say when you have a tie and your suit, she say a chicken foot with bean.
A chicken foot with what?
Bean.
With bean?
Bean. When you dress up in your nice suit and tie and thing, you know? Yeah. Why you dress up like chicken foot for white rice in a bean, man?
See it.
Yeah, man.
Well, I stand corrected. Everybody has a curry chicken foot better than stew chicken
Second
foot.
Thing.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think Thomas did turn when him when we them not tell us him come to Jamaica?
Thomas.
Mm-hmm. Tell me what make you think him in.
Well, I hear the Jamaican people have gotten very creative and them come up with a who know the definition for Thomas again? Oh you go. Them come up with a definition feet, man. So T-O-M-A. Hold on. What? No. But me hear that one there. But it's something about tactic orchestrated to mislead and arouse spending. No, them have one next one, man. But something about shopping for fool people for go shopping. So they tell me something here now. So Jamaica bounty killer to thank for Thomas not coming on here.
Yes.
So bounty killer must have been around a Moran Point, but I'm a man. I wait to say, yo. Because you know, say bounty. Yeah, man, bounty say, woman, bounty say, you know what, let Nicole come here, but we don't want no Thomas come here.
Right, sir. All right, here, I got you.
All right, blessing. Bounty killer out there with the mama. Okay, killer, anyway, they large up yourself, and, straighten out to every straighten out. You don't know everything is everything. Alliance family, boom, bang, respect. My father, what you say, a linky, something that come up, big thing, a Karuba that there. You large up on yourself, man. Big up Beanie Man. Yo, Angel and Beanie Man are up on the show live Monday. The Davises will be here. And this is not Doctors Davises, as in Omar Davis and his wife. This is the other Dr. Davis and his wife. The Davises will be here Monday. And you don't know, so when me talk to people, I must younger Markland can interview people better than me and draw the things, Big up Markland program at night time, 8 o'clock, right on the station, that's because the maddest thing. You understand? But when me ever talk to Moses and Angel, me ever ask them the things them not. Me ever ask them the things them. So Beanie Man and Angel on the program Monday, it's the maddest thing that. So make sure someone tune in, crazy something that. And think because we need to find out how capable Beanie Man is. And Angel for tell we. Because Beanie Man always talk about how him wicked and what. Angel for tell me because she can give her the first hand. Well, not only first hand, but first foot, first. Angel, I want you talk on the things them for Moses. And Moses, I want you reach it because we're going to ask them the things them. Okay. Yo, a break time right now. What will I break? I will soon for. Yeah, man, welcome back up in I sitting. Welcome back up in I sitting. Yep, With the fun. With the fun, show off people, bossy people, big shot people, mix up. Or if anybody want to talk about the little thing we're going on the show today, feel free to do it. This is the show for it. You know, and if you want to have a cathartic moment here, feel free to do so and let it out. All righty, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hey, Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Hey, how you doing?
There I know.
It is so. I tell you what is happening in this country.
Mm-hmm.
My heart goes out so much for that lady with the little girl.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because well, as you know, I'm a mother of 3.
Right.
And my kids are all girls. My kids' ages are ranges 17, 15, and 12.
Right.
And trust me, Raga,
mm-hmm.
I had to call you back. If I can't even put myself in her shoe.
Right.
Because trust me, I don't know how I would handle it. But I think how he really got away, I think she panicked, so she couldn't even grab him.
The woman was in shock.
Definitely.
She was in shock. She must have been in shock.
Oh my God! And what kind of man? I mean, men like those are just poor excuse of a man, you know.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
You understand? Because then he has a 15-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
And what if somebody had done that? If he's not doing it to his daughter, who knows?
Well, that is what another caller was speculating.
You know, the law need to dig deep into his life now too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? And him need to be put away. Raga, I had something happen to me back in 2002.
Right.
Where my son was killed by another student, and I didn't get any justice from it.
Okay.
That is why I went to law school, you know. That's why I did law, you know.
Okay.
Because when I look, Raga, and see the injustice and the pain that I felt, you know,
mm-hmm.
and now the pain that this woman is feeling, oh my God, Raga, trust me, even my worst enemy, I wouldn't want that.
See it there.
You understand?
Well, we just hope so the police them can step up and do it, and we're glad to some other police step on the matter and so forth. And we're going to stay and follow it up.
They need to just go on it just like that.
Yeah, we're going to follow it up, man.
You understand? And if she's listening, Raga, if she needs, any help or anything, tell her to just call you back. And I'm sure a lot of us, including myself, will be there to help her.
Wonderful.
You understand? The next thing, Raga, I heard about your drive,
mm-hmm.
your donation drive.
Right.
I need to make some form of contribution. How do I get
just
a number?
go into an RBTT bank, any RBTT bank, and tell them you want to contribute to the Ragashanti Relief Fund.
Okay.
And they will know exactly which account to put it in.
All
That's
right.
all you have to do.
I'm going into town tomorrow, so I'll just make my contribution.
Wonderful. I appreciate it.
And
yeah?
trust me, Raga, as I said before, just tell her, make sure, just tell her to be strong.
Mm-hmm.
And, we all are sinners, but God do answer our prayers.
Wonderful.
You understand? Just tell her that we'll be praying, especially me, who is, have my 3 daughters.
Right.
I'll be praying for her, and trust me, if there's anything she needs within the course of the law, trust me, I'll be there to help her. She can just call you, and I think I listen to you even at work, in my car, everything.
Right.
So I'm sure that I'll get back the information.
No, man, we know if any links to make, man, we know, man.
Yeah,
and if any mobilization needs to take place,
that's what I came out of
that
law school with, I came out as a criminal lawyer.
Right.
Anything at all, I'll be there. And trust me, I wouldn't hesitate to help.
Right.
All right, Raga, trust
Blessings.
me, I'm feeling so down. I'm feeling so down. All the money in the world when me get now make me feel good at all.
All right. Now say a word, man. All right. Blessings,
so
yeah?
Take care, Raga.
All right, blessings. Cool. What the commissioner say when can do right, because I think. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes.
I'm going to tell you something. You say if I did me, but I know what me would do. Because I have 2 daughters. I'm not mad. I'm angry right now more than bounty killer. You say if I did me and him rape my daughter, first thing me I do, I carry a doctor. You say if the doctor say I rape, she rape, Raga, I have 2 daughters and 1 son. I have my awful sharpener and 3 garlic it already underneath my bed.
You half a lot sharp now you garlic it up already.
Yeah.
You not put onion pan it either.
No, me not put no onion pan it.
Put garlic pan it.
Yeah, my head not at you know. My head mad. Cause me not play with man when he come on to my daughter. Cause if you try me grow them and them father dead, one a sperm donor, one dead, and me grow them all. Take care of them till them reach big. So you see, if I did me and the mother there, me they don't at the station.
No, okay.
And the way them feel me that kill him, I couldn't stand up and tell me so when me do it. Raga all him house me that bun down.
Alright. Yeah, is that funny thing I go on right here?
Am I angry?
Me know you're angry and you say you that use your half a lash and chop him up.
Raga me that chop him left.
Hold on, but here one know. You see, even though me not want to stop you from express yourself, them have one little thing where them say we not allow people to say anything that will incite violence, here. Right, so we don't want them to move to the program for that.
Yeah, I understand.
So, just code it up as you can,
Him outer order.
No, him be an outer order, and him rank and bright too, man.
Trouble the woman pitney.
Right, I mean, him rape her and then I eye about it and thing.
So now that time I do something about it, because him eye about it.
And the truth is, even though you have people that listen and say, boy, for inside violence and whatever, when people are, anybody where them pick me. A man rape your daughter, your little daughter, and then I come and I bright with it, and I tell you to shut up.
Your daughter will live with a scar for the rest of her life.
See it there?
How she going to deal with it?
See it there?
How she going to deal with it in a society? If the pitney not strong, the pitney are going mad. You understand? You can imagine somebody take away your little innocence from you?
All right. Well, anyway, our blessings here.
Yeah, man, cool.
All right, cool. Yo, may I tell Beanie Man and Angel, from now, so may I keep it real. Me not back off with certain questions and things, because we just come face to face with something and just make them just sound out on certain thing. Right? We're going to ask everything. We're going to all the thing about this tying thing, we're going to ask about that. Okay. Now, Angel is an articulate woman, where Brian should know. And Beanie Man, him sharp himself too. And thing and whatever. But we are going to ask the thing. Monday, Beanie Man and Angel upon the show. Man sitting. Oh, okay. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Greetings.
First time caller?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm calling about the matter with the young man who raped the little girl.
Well, I don't know if he's young, We know we're really.
Well, whatever.
Yeah.
Why the mother, she's calling and talking about this and that and everything. Why she don't say she give her daughter to the man? Because the man down her house 4 weeks of work and no money no run. And Sunday man when the man go to work.
Hold on. Stop for a second. Hold on. Stop for a second. You know about this situation?
Yes.
Okay, and what you say now?
Sunday morning when the man go to work, she left the man with her key and her daughter and her father and said he soon come back. So if you do what him have to do. Then daughter him sell out the man too. 4 weeks and no money.
Listen to me now. Y'all listen to me? Hold on. Y'all listen to me?
Yes.
What you just say is damn foolishness.
Where
you just say is damn foolishness.
The
woman, listen to me. The woman left her daughter in the house. She left her father there. Obviously, I mean, I say people for careless when workman come in and left them picnic there. But the point is, she left her father there. And the man wait till the father there at the back and whatever, this and that, and plan the thing and design the thing and whatever, and then rape off the girl. The mother obviously a hustler and a jump round. It's not like she left the daughter there alone with the man.
The man who they
you never hear she
said what? And the man work together as a team. And not only because of the house in go work, I'm partner who we work everywhere with.
You understand? What you mean, fear father?
Yes, our father and the young man work
hold on. Them Then stop right there. So that is even more reason for you don't come here and then go decide them way there. Because if he's our father friend, then that no more reason why she go trust the man.
Then she sell out her daughter to him, man.
Me say damn fool. Listen to me, you get from me there. The man charge her what?
$15,000 to do the work, and she no pay him no money 4 weeks now. And Sunday morning he go work and he left him there. Sunday morning and give him key. The key where she give the man now work on the side of the house there, you know. So if you are left the way you give him key and he no have no working dealing
Listen
on
to
that
me.
side of the house.
Listen to me. Listen. You know the man who do the raping?
Yes, me know him.
Oh, you know him?
Because me live in an area where he live.
Oh, you know say him not get paid so long?
He don't get no pay.
No, you never answer me, you know.
Eh?
Me say, oh, you know?
Is the street talk, rather, and that everybody has a outer Wakefield where everybody
now, hold on, man. Did the man tell you say him not get paid for 4 weeks?
Me not see man.
Then, but it must come from the man, right?
Then him tell people so.
All right, then.
There are 4 weeks in done work and the woman, the money did to run.
All right, no. May I ask you something, I know?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say, so you say him not get paid for 4 weeks. Let us say him not get paid for 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
That give my right for go rape the woman, Pitney?
No, but she left her daughter there with him. Why she give him a key, Raga? That you feel looking at, you know. Why she give him a key and say she soon come and if you do what him have to do?
Listen to
why she give him a key?
So wait, so when she give him a key, you and him say him for do what him have to do, you think that she tell him say him go sleep with her 15-year-old daughter?
Of course, because he don't have no reason to go on at that the side of the house there. He don't have no reason to go on at that side of the house.
Let me see if me get what you say. Are you saying that because she don't pay him for 4 weeks and she don't have the money, that she was implying that him for do him have to do for take pay for the money, for take pay?
Yes, that is what me understand.
I think you're a damn wicked. I think you're wicked for even think that. I think you're wicked for No, you don't.
Why when the guy come and work Sunday, why she never say to him, say, you know, say, me not have no money to pay you, so no bother work. I make the man go on back. The man not have no dealing on that the side of the house, the for work pan. Why you leave your key with your daughter at the house with a workman? And it's not like she don't know him. She know him.
No, but
it's not like she don't
know
him.
No, but you still not see the point. You still hold on. You still not get the point where me are making her, because the argument where you are put forth for done the mother is the same argument where makes sense with what the mother do. One, you said the workman know the mother father, don't it? So them work good together, all right?
Yes.
Good, all right. So him know the mother father. Two, the father left at the yard too, don't it?
Yes.
Okay, three, them a work on the house, don't it?
Yes.
All right, despite you saying something about key and whatever, this and that, what I'm saying is you are making a solid argument why this woman, knowing that this man had there for 4 weeks, knowing that him work with her father, so him know her father from a long time, you're making a good argument why she would trust the man to leave the key with him there, with the father there. It's not like the man is a total stranger.
But
it makes sense that she would leave the key with a man who is not a total stranger.
So if my father is there, why me want to leave the key with my friend, and me and my friend in no business, and he not have nothing to go there so in I house for?
No.
And that I owe to my work.
No, well,
why me want to leave the key give him?
I don't know the details. Probably
is there and my father is there.
No, but probably there is some logical explanation for it. But I think it is a big stretch right here now. For gone as far for go say the woman did probably sell her 15-year-old daughter to the workman for the workman money. And I talk about say she tell the man say him. And that the man I walk tell people say she give him the key and tell him say him for do him for do.
You see,
no. Answer me. All you know say she say him for do him for do. Now that the man I walk tell people.
And at the talk of the town.
No, but
the man say, in our community say.
Hold on. Is the talk of the town, but the talk of the town have to start from somewhere. So I'm asking you something now. I am asking you something now.
Mm-hmm.
Is it the case? Who you think could have started the talk, say? She give him the key and say him for do.
People who live in our community and know because
no, stop. Stop for a second. If she said to the man, give the man the key and said, do what you for do, right? And she did it, the father did it. I said she I give the man the key, right? And you claim say the argument is she give him the key and say if you do. If the two of them did it, who you think I go talk and walk and tell people say that she said that? No, must the man.
I don't know what she's saying.
All right, hold on. I'm going to ask you something now. You believe in God?
Of course.
All right, then. Are you the sister of the man who is accused of the rape?
No, I'm not the sister.
Are you related to him?
No, I'm not related.
Do you know him?
Yes, I know him because he lives in a community where me.
You know him for talk to?
Yes.
Okay. Then I defend him.
I'm not defending him. What me say?
No, hold on. Okay, what you know about him? You know him as a rapist?
No, the man is a worker. The man is a carpenter. All she talks to man a fix vehicle over station. The man is no mechanic. The man is a carpenter and a mason.
Okay.
The man no fix no vehicle over no station.
So tell me something now.
Mm-hmm.
The man admits him sleep with a 15-year-old girl. You agree with that, right?
Yes.
And you agree said I rape her?
No.
Why you don't say I rape her?
Because the lady who in my work for 4 weeks don't pay him no money, and when he come there Sunday morning, right, she give him a key.
No. Okay, stop for a second.
Mm-hmm.
You seem to be saying that it's not rape because the mother allow him, give him the key and tell him to do what him have to do.
Yes.
All right, well on. Let us say the mother give him the key and tell him to do what him to do.
Mm-hmm.
And does that give him the right now? Figure go sleep with the girl?
No, instead of take and thought and think.
No, hold on. No. Okay. Hold on. No, okay, follow me now. So if him go over there now to the 15-year-old girl and force her to have sex against her will, isn't that rape?
I don't know if he forced her.
What you mean?
I don't know if he forced her.
What you mean?
I don't know if he forced her.
What you saying? What you trying to say?
She and her mother must talk about whatever them plan to do. You understand?
Hold on.
You understand?
Are you aware that it's a Jamaican law that if a man sleep with a girl under 16 years of age, it is automatically statutory rape? Are you aware of that?
Yes, of course.
So, are you willing to now admit that the man raped the girl?
Yeah, he raped her.
And if him rape the girl, he's supposed to be held accountable by law, right?
Yes.
And if he's supposed to be held accountable by law and the police have him in custody, it is inexcusable that them didn't arrest him and that him get away, don't it?
So they didn't arrest him? Of course they did arrest him.
No. Them said the man get away.
Get her from the station.
Yeah. So what me I say, if a man rape you and police have him and carry him at the station and they attack with him good and come tell you, say, the man get her from the station, you not upset or angry about that?
Yeah, you're upset and angry about it because you want the public to think different. But there's two sides. Me always hear you say there's two sides to a story. You know, listen to one side of story. You understand?
But hold on. But not the man. What is the man say? Him see a man say him sleep with her. Him see a man say him sex after girl.
That's what she say. You never did it. Me never did it. What she say.
So what? So hold on. If you never did it, me never did it, and you never did it either, why you defend him so? Why you defend him so? Why?
Oh, you mean why me defend him? He's a human being and he have family like anybody else. And everybody just attack and a done pan him. So there's two sides to the story.
We have several people are calling right as I say you're related to the man, and you probably not tell me the truth. Tell me the truth and done.
I'm not related to him.
You're not related?
No.
You're not related? You did there with him?
No.
You and him did enough things?
No.
You and him there right now?
No, me and him not there because I not see him. Me and him is nothing.
You not tell me the truth right there, so they can hear it in your voice, you know.
Yeah,
you and the man have a link, man.
Me and him not have no link.
You're not talk up. You're not talk up strong like how you did a talk up before.
Of course, them me attack.
No, a while ago you did a talk up strong. You not talk up strong.
Me not defend him. Me just attack.
No, I defend him.
Everybody attack, and me attack.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Me not say I support your argument that parents need to be careful where them left them picnic and who them left them picnic with. I support your argument with that. I totally support your argument with that. I'm just saying that the arguments that you have put forward right now to put this woman in a bad light, the mother in a bad light, those very arguments can support why she did that. Again, I say, if the man is not a stranger, he's not a stranger. 1, 2, him work with our father constantly. You understand what I say? It's like say, if me have some money, I mean, no, Michelle and Ruth. Me know them long time, so me can't leave money around them. I trust them. But if them go take it one time or whatever, then I say, but I rather you careless, so go left the money there around them because whatever, and you don't know, say this and that. But me know them are no stranger to me. I saw them things that can't happen. So what I'm saying, it is totally understandable why she would trust the man. And I think you're probably misunderstanding the statement if she said, do you have to do? Probably she said, finish the work and think, do your work to the key and me soon come back, we'll do finish the work. And the house in my work, man. And he probably have to go inside of the house, you go use bathroom, or go do something, whatever, this and that. I think you stretch this thing too far and being unfair to this woman.
She don't have no daughter.
You have a daughter?
All right.
All right. Yo. I'm going to go right here now, yeah, man, because at least I stay calm up on that one, yeah, which is, what you say, Michelle?
Me eat it fair.
You eat it fair?
What? She don't have a point. She don't have a point. She a calling a talk about say, you listen to the woman's story. And I see him here say, she sound like any little village liar. Village liar.
But what I don't like with what she says, and me I said that, she make it look like we for defend the man balance.
Exactly.
And the issue is, was the girl raped or not, right? And then fear argument is, I want to say it's rape because the mother gave him the key and tell him to do him.
Then if I work, man, then
so
how am I getting at the house?
Well, so even if a mother give him the key and tell him to do this and then go hold it in the rape, that's a rape then.
She's very ignorant.
No, well, I tell you, I love when them things come out, you know, because I see how people think. On a CEO people
no,
think.
She not say sorry to the little girl. I know. She depend on the man. She and the man related, or she look her rent money.
No, somehow say me should have cut her off and all them things and whatever. But me make she talk, you know, because I want to hear the reasoning. I want to hear the reasoning, and you people can't think with certain things. Yo, something tell me say this is going to come up back tomorrow. 1 o'clock tomorrow, we are kick off again. And we know say, we're not going to depend on the case tomorrow. The program done here now, we can't get for voice up on it. That's how it things said. But we are going to let you know, 1 o'clock tomorrow, we kick it off. A Ragashanti live. Me are the king of Mixup and thing. And we deal with everything under the Mixup umbrella. That's how it things said. Take care of yourself, seeing proper respect indeed. Put under Whitney Houston, yeah. I believe the children are our future.